Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! We're back to the yo. 20,880 for BTC. We got the weekly close tonight, fellas. We got some interesting stuff popping up on the charts tonight. So let's get busy. Let's talk about it. And let's not waste any time. Let's not waste no time today. But first, let's stop this. We need an epic intro today because it is the first weekly close above the bear market resistance band this whole bear market. So I need everyone to spam the swords and shields in the chat right now. Let's freaking get busy and let's get at it. All right, let's get this shit playing. I want to see all the swords and shields. And like I said, guys, don't hold back on the swords and shields. I want to see more spam than I've ever seen in my life. All right, let's go. Come on, it's time to wake up Asia. Let's get some volatility, baby. Come on! Alright. Enough of that. What's going on, fellas? Happy Sunday. 20,800 for BTC. Almost no price action this weekend, man. Pretty boring weekend overall. Alts went up. Some alts did absolutely incredible this week. Look at this. Look at the chat, man. I haven't seen the chat like this since 2021, man. This is pretty awesome. I love to see the enthusiasm, at least temporarily, back in the cryptoverse. This is freaking awesome. I love the enthusiasm. Everyone's like George right now. This is great. This is absolutely great, right? Everyone's in here like, I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we are all super bullish, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why Bitcoin's about to go to the moon. Not to Mars, to the moon. Everyone's super excited, and I absolutely love it. So we had a stake stream yesterday. That was awesome, man. I really enjoyed that stake. Like I said, that was the first steak that I had in like a year. It was unbelievable. It was delicious. Thank you guys for eating some steak with me. I think there was like at least 10 of you guys eating steak with me last night, and we enjoyed that steak. I also had pasta. I had some good shit last night for dinner, man. I had some damn good shit. Hormet said, I can't express enough how the 10K Bitcoiners are out of touch with reality. 10K? Hey, man, never say never. Never say never on anything. Anyways, let's see what we got going on. So, 20,873. Like we said, guys, nothing really happened this weekend, man. We went up and down, up and down, up and down. But now we got the first, well, not the first weekly close, but now we got the weekly close. So can we expect some price action now that we have a new weekly candle that's opening? But I first want to get a pump song, guys. I want to get hyped in the chat because we did the two things that the bears kept praising on. What were the two things that the bears kept praising on? The bears were saying, oh, I'm going to get bullish until we get back above the 200-day moving average. Okay, well, number one, check. Check number one. All right, and then we said, all right, we got to get back above the bear market resistance band on a weekly close, okay? Check number two, we got the close above the bear market resistance band. Let's get one more close. I want to see a full body close above this shit, but this is an awesome start. If you guys don't know what this is, the 20-week moving average and the 21-week exponential. Usually in the Bitcoin's history, when you do get a close above this after a prolonged bear market of a year, that typically means okay, it doesn't mean this is guaranteed, but typically means the bottom is in and you're sort of going to start your sort of long-term bottoming process, right? So that's a good sign. I think we should play a pump song for us getting the first weekly close above the bear market resistance band. Let's get busy. Come on. Hold on. We got to get this hype in the chat. Here we go. Come on, boy. Come on. Hype in the chat. Come on, baby. Oh, we got the Cobra. We got the Copers in the chat today. I'm trying not to troll too much, guys, today. I'm not. I told myself, Jordan, do not troll as much today, okay? Be a little bit nicer today. But if I keep seeing the Copers in the chat and the pencil necks in the chat, then I might have to troll, okay? What do you guys think? Should I be nice today? Should I troll today? What do you think? I said, Jordan, this is what I told myself today, right? Pretend I was Bob talking to myself. Here's what I told myself today. I said, Bob, be nice to everyone. Be nice to everyone in the chat today. All right? They're all down bad. They all shorted the lows. All right? Be nice to them. Okay? Don't kick them while they're down. Okay? They're all in cash right now. And they're all salty. Okay? Don't kick them while they're down. Just be nice to them. So I told myself I was going to be nice. You guys are all telling me to troll. Oh, Lord, man. Lord. All right. Well, if I keep seeing the copers in the chat, I will troll. You guys know my most hated cope is zoom out, bro. Zoom out. You can play it level by level. I mean, if you're saying to zoom out, I mean, you missed the biggest move we've had in months. So, I mean, that's kind of cope, no? I don't know. That's sort of what I've been saying. But anyways, guys, Bitcoin's calling out for something here, right? We're getting lower highs, we're getting higher lows. We still have not seen that pullback, right? And I've been saying this. What is max pain? Max pain is up with no pullbacks, right? And that's what we've seen. Now, is this going to continue? Obviously, at some point, Bitcoin's going to have a pullback, right? And the level where I think is the most logical to get a pullback, actually, is this $21,500 level right here at the 618 Fibonacci at 21,500. That is the most logical level to me. But we have not hit it yet, right? We got up to about 21,200, but we didn't quite spike to that golden pocket yet. Here's what I'm thinking, right? And this is, I think either way, we're going to see a spike up here, right? Everyone's thinking we're just going to dump off like this. I don't think so, right? I think that's too easy for you. That's too easy for all these guys who keep shorting every single level. Oh, I'm gonna short here. It's a good area to short. Okay, do it. In my opinion, if Bitcoin's gonna dump from here, I think either way you're gonna see a spike up. It's gonna tap the golden pocket zone at 21,500, right? You're gonna everyone, oh, next leg up. And it's going to come down. Now, that's the bearish scenario, right? That's the scenario where Bitcoin's going to get a pullback because at some point, I know it's going to get a pullback, right? It's not going to go up in a straight line forever. We know how it is. I can hear the people in the chat saying, the daily RSI is at a 90, bro. It's going to get a pullback soon. Daily RSI, man. Right, I can hear him in the chat, and I know that, right? But I will keep saying this, man. And I almost just plopped. I think I almost just plopped the blood vessel in my forehead. I almost just plopped a blood vessel in my forehead here. Here's what I'll say. Okay, the people who keep praising on the RSI are people that haven't been around in crypto that long. Okay, because I will say, and this might not be true, if Bitcoin wants to go on a run, it does not give a shit about your indicators. I'm sorry. I mean, everyone likes to praise indicators because they're so used to a bear market. Okay, I mean, that's cool. But if you go back to the times where Bitcoin's had some rallies, it just keeps going and going and going. And you got to keep waiting for a pullback. Good luck. Now, I said, if Bitcoin's going to get a pullback, it's going to be 21,500. Right? To me, I mean, that's the golden pocket zone. That's the previous high, right? That's the most logical area. But I will say, like, I if you've been calling for a pullback the whole way up, you've been wrong every single time. You've probably gotten stopped out like 8 times on all your short trades if you tried to short this, right? Not just scalp trades, but longer term swing trades to the downside. You've been wrong every single time, right? So I'm not shorting this, right? I'm not going to short Bitcoin on the move up here. I'm not going to do it. Why? Because I'm not going to short an uptrend in the short term. To me, I'm not going to short into strength. That doesn't make sense to me. You can do it. I'm only looking for longs on pullbacks. That's all I'm doing. All right. At the end of the day, I'm not going to short BTC in an uptrend. To me, that's dumb. I mean, people will disagree. Short into strength. I don't know what to tell you. I hope it works out for you. I really, really do. Dan said Savvy. Oh, Savvy. Savvy. I think Savvy did say. Here's what Savvy said last week. Here's what he said. Where's Savvy? What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Yeah, I just went on a fishing trip. I know I haven't made a video in 3 days, but it's only because I'm building my house. You know, if you guys were bearish like me at the top, maybe you guys would be able to build a house too. You know what I mean? Like, it's not my fault. But anyways, guys, Bitcoin's not getting back above 20K until 2025, right? It's not getting back above 20K until 2025. It just has no strength right now. Bitcoin has no strength. And to be honest, I don't even think Bitcoin even comes close to 20K until about 3 years from now. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure, man. Pretty sure. All right. Anyways, I gotta troll Savvy just a little bit. Right. Listen, he's not wrong at this point. At this point, he's still right. But his 2025 prediction was wrong. So I gotta troll him a little bit because he likes to troll the bulls. It's okay. It's okay, Savvy. It's okay, man. You're still killing it. Savvy, if you're watching this right now, you are killing it, man. Keep laddering your shorts. Keep doing it, man. It's really working for you. He would say Jordan's a clown. Remember that time on Savage Stream where he called me a clown? That was hilarious. He come out, he's like, oh, that Jordan guy? He's a friggin' clown. That was great, man. That was the time where he kept shorting from like 30K to 69K the whole way up. All right, anyways. So yeah, I mean, that's the daily, and I get it, right? You guys are going to point to, you know, the bearish divergence on the daily, right? You got lower highs on the daily, higher highs on the RSI. Okay, I know you're going to point to the daily stocks being topped out, all your favorite indicators showing a dump. And that's cool, but I've also said you've had bearish divergence since like down here, bro. You know what I mean? So like, that's cool, But once again, if you're calling for a dump, I mean, you've been wrong ever since 18K. At some point, Bitcoin's going to get a dump, and I'm not shorting it, man. I will not short into strength. I won't do it, man. I won't do it. Let me take a sip. Let me take a sip of this. Here comes Psycho Bro. Here comes Psycho Pro with the zoom out, bro. That's cope, man. That's cope. The only people that are saying zoom out are the people that are all in cash and missed out down here. I'm just saying, it's true. If you want me to be honest, it's true. And that's okay. You'll probably get another chance, down the road. You'll probably get another chance. But now is not the time for you. All right? Now is not the time.
Rant alert.
All right. Anyways, like we said, guys, I mean, Bitcoin back above the bear market resistance band for the first time since the bear market really mattered, right? You did get back up here, but was that really typically you look for it after about a year, and Bitcoin has smacked back above that. The last times you have, we're obviously back here in March 2019 after a year-long bear market, and then obviously down here back in 2015, you also did get a big move down, right? So Bitcoin got back over in 2015 and then saw another dump. That's still a possibility, just like the March of 2020 crash in the last bear market. Still obviously can get another move down. Don't rule that out. But at least in the short term, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, But no, I mean, guys, this played out so perfectly, and even I didn't think this was going to play out. Right? What were we saying down here? We were saying Bitcoin based off history, Bitcoin was going to get a move up above this, okay? 64 weeks before the halving. And what do you know? Exactly 64 weeks before the halving, out of nowhere, right? All the bears coming out and saying, where's the money going to come from, bro? Where's the money? Everyone's broke. No, the market can't move up. Where's the money coming from? This guy's an idiot. He's bullish. Oh, I'm going to be bearish at the lows. I'm going to be bearish at support. Oh, man. But no, out of nowhere, Bitcoin just decides to blast off out of nowhere above the bear market resistance band exactly 64 weeks before the halving. Exactly when the RSI and the weekly broke out to the upside. It was like a poem. It was like a damn poem. It was literally like a poem, man. It was beautiful. But, why did we say that? It's 59 weeks before the previous one, right? Minus 5 weeks. The one before that was 54. The one before that was 49. It's almost like a poem. It's almost like this shit runs in waves, no? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. The other bullish thing that happened today, guys, real quick while we're talking about the weekly, and we'll go to the short-term time frames, because there's a lot of alts that did really well, man. We had Optimism pop off. Algorand had a really good freaking day. I think Gallo did good yesterday, I believe. There's altcoins are popping off left and right. Once again, Cope, a lot of altcoins are up 2-3x from the lows at this point. If you're saying zoom out, bro, I mean, at this point, you're like I said, you're kind of coping at this point. The other bullish thing that happened today, right? And I wanted to point this out real quick. Look where Bitcoin is in its cycle, man. Right? And we all like to say this, that, right? The macro is still the macro, right? I'm not going to come in and doubt and say the macro's great, right? It's awesome, man. But it is going in the right direction. And a lot of people forget, man. The markets look forward. They don't wait until things look good. They look forward and say, okay, things look like they're getting better. Let's price in the good stuff that's coming down the road. They're not just going to be like, oh my God, we're going to wait exactly till things look good and then we're going to pump. No, people are going to front run that shit. So you saw Bitcoin right off the 4-year cycle come up almost exactly when it always does in the 4-year cycle. Look at that, man. Bottom here, bottom here. So far, bottom here. We'll see if it holds. And then Bitcoin coming up kind of like it did in 2019. Almost like the same shit happens every single time. Who would have known? Who would have known? I guess no one would have known. Yep. And then look what popped up today, my friends. For the first time in the bear market. The first time in the bear market. And this is on the weekly scale. Okay? the hash ribbons buy signal has popped up for the first time on the scale you're supposed to use it, right? It popped up on the daily back here, but you're supposed to use it on the weekly and the monthly time frames. And there it is, the hash ribbons buy signal for the first time in the bear market, okay? And going back in time, there has, I mean, at this point, if you bought at all these, you would be happy. There's never been a false signal where this goes off and it doesn't lead to massive gains afterwards. We'll see, right? Obviously, this could be false, all right? I mean, we could be false, but there it is, my man, all right? Oh, the hash ribbons buy signal. That's what I've been waiting for. I'm going to throw in my California stimmy that I just got a month ago because California's still printing money for some reason, even though we got an inflation problem. Oh, yeah, I'm going all in. That's exactly the signal I was waiting for. But there you go. So you got some good stuff popping up, and that's not it. There's more shit we can talk about, right? Let's go check on Bitcoin in the short term, though. Bitcoin in the short term, Gas said I'm all in. Dude, you do your own thing, man. You'll do your own thing. But yeah, Bitcoin's still going sideways. Not really much going on in Bitcoin. The one more thing I wanted to talk about, one more longer term chart, because I know you guys hate longer term charts right now. Look what the other thing I was waiting for. There it is, my friends. Faster than I thought. And what were we saying at the end of November, beginning of December? We were saying, okay, it's probably going to be boring for a little bit, but when we get to the middle of January, to the end of January, this is when you should expect some volatile moves. And look what you just got on the 2-week. You just got the MACD flip on the LMACD on the 2-week, which has never been a false signal for Bitcoin in its entire history. And isn't it symbolic that it pops up exactly when you get the biggest weekly candle that you've seen since 2021? I don't think it is, right? Boom, bada boom, bitch. There it is, right there. You see that? You see that beauty? Now, once again, we got to close this next 2-week candle, at least like kind of, okay. But there it is, my man. There it is. So another good signal. And look at the other thing we had. I was waiting for the stock RSI to get back over the 20 level on the 2-week. Oh, what do you know? That one did too. So there it is. I mean, listen, I told myself when I saw all my shit pop the way I wanted it to go, I was going to be relatively bullish. So there it is. I was waiting for the 2-week MACD to flip. I was waiting for the stock RSI in the 2-week to get back above the 20. I was waiting for Bitcoin to have a weekly close above the bear market resistance band. Well, there we go. I don't know. That's about where we're at. So now we kind of wait. Now we kind of wait. But in the meantime, like we did yesterday, I will do one more ceremony for you, my guys. One more ceremony. What's that ceremony? What's the ceremony for everyone in the chat? What's the ceremony? Hold up. What's the ceremony? You know what it is. Oh, no, not the sad music. Oh my God, it's dumping. Guys, chill with the dumping. It's down $100. God damn. You guys are too funny, man. Hold up. Oh, you guys can't hear anything. Crashing. You guys are killing me, man. Bitcoin's down. You guys were saying this like on Friday, on Saturday. Oh my Lord. Whenever Bitcoin's dumping $100 now, it's dumping all of a sudden. It's crashing, guys. It's crashing. Oh!
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Everyone wants it to dump. That's why I call this, guys. I name this move up right now Bitcoin's most hated rally ever. This is Bitcoin's most hated rally. This is crypto's most hated rally. Because I've said this, 75 to 80% of people are in cash. And they're begging for a dip right now. They are begging. You can see every $100 move down. People are like, dump, it's dumping. Get out, guys, it's crashing. People want it to go down because they want to buy the dip. And I've said, Max Payne, don't give them that dip. Or give them a dip, make it quick, scare them, right? Almost do something like this. If Bitcoin does dip, here's what I would look for. If Bitcoin does get a pullback, because it's going to get a pullback at some point. If Bitcoin does get a pullback, I want to see it spike up, right? Spike down quick. Scare the living bejesus. The scare little bejeebies out of all the people waiting for a dip, because everyone's waiting for a dip now. One of their mothers waiting for a damn dip. Crash it so hard. Like, if it's going to dump, I want to see it crash so freaking hard. So all the people waiting for a dip won't buy because it's going to be crashing so hard, right? Because then they're going to be scared again, even though they said, oh, I'm going to buy 18K this time. All right, dump it to 18K. Hard, okay? And then it sort of consolidates there. It's over. And then they bring it back up quick. That's what I want to see. And to be honest, I wouldn't be against that, right? That would give me more opportunities to long back up to the upside again after everyone's scared. And that, to me, this is a logical scenario. And to me, like, unless Bitcoin gets below 18.3, in my opinion, I don't think there's anything too bearish about that. As long as you hold these previous lows, you continue to see this as a deviation play. Anything above 18.3-ish, there's nothing to be scared about, man. That's just a classic deviation play. Right? You break below the lows, you get back in. Yeah, you could backtest, sure. That's fine. It is what it is. That doesn't change the overall reversal pattern here. So we'll see what happens. Honestly, whether we don't dump or we dump, it's not really going to matter in the grand scheme of things to me. But let's see what we got. No Jet said can't scare limit buys. Sure, you can't scare limit buys. But what you could do is have people take off their limit buys if the price is coming down too hot. You know what it is. The sky is falling. We're all going to die. That's how it usually is in these times, right? The price falls really, really hard, right? The sky is going to fall. And we sort of do our thing. Anyways, that's what we got. Enough about BTC. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum just going sideways too. I mean, it's had its little pumps, it's had a little dumps over the weekend. Nothing really crazy though. It's been kind of slow and really, really freaking boring here for Ethereum, right? Spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down, spike up, right? It's pretty good range. Like if you were playing this range, this was pretty freaking good, right? To sort of short the highs, long the lows, or just long when it backtests the 30 EMA. That's what I like to do. It depends on your strategy, right? But this has been pretty nice range. And I guess it's the same thought process. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, it's hard for me to get too bearish. I like to trade the 4-hour time frame if I'm going to trade. It's hard for me to get too bearish when I see the 4-hour stocks bottomed out. Not that that's all end all be all, but to me that's why. Two reasons. I see the 4-hour stock RSI bottomed out. I see the big wick on the top side. Okay. To me, the most logical scenario, and I guess nothing's always logical. Where's the freaking, where's the freaking path? Oh my God. I gotta get trolled. I gotta troll myself. Oh my Lord. Jordan, you're an idiot. You can't even find the path tool on TradingView. What an idiot. This is why you'll never be a pro trader like me. Guys, this rally's over. I'm over being sad. We're going to start fresh today, okay? I'm short again. I've shorted this rally 8 times. I've gotten liquidated twice and stopped out 6 times, okay? But I'm short again. I'll get this one right, finally. And then when I finally get it right for the 9th time, even though I'll still be down, I will praise myself and say that I'm such a good trader, even though I've already gotten liquidated twice. All right, so here we go. It's going to go down, guys. Just short, okay? Short Bitcoin. It's the worst asset. All right, see you, everyone that's new. My name's Jabba, by the way. I'm a big, fat, short trader, and I like Chinese food. All right, see ya. Thank you. Thank you. I gotta make fun of myself, man. I can't even find the stupid path tool, man. That's pretty embarrassing. Oh, here it is. To me, the most logical scenario, I mean, I look up for ETH here. Okay. The next big resistance I see for ETH is up here at 1670, right? So same process as Bitcoin. Bitcoin has not hit that next resistance level. I still see them spiking it up, okay, for one last long. So everyone's expecting a dump right here, right? So I think the mindset right now, and I'm just looking at this mindset-wise, everyone's expecting a dump. I go on Twitter, and it's the same thing I've seen in every consolidation. Everyone's calling for a dump, okay? It's cool. Okay, I mean, eventually you're going to get it right. But I think you spike it up one more time. So I think right now is where most retail is saying, I'm not going to buy right here, man. It's going to go down from this level. But if they see it spike one more time, right into resistance, right? And this is what always retail does. They like to buy into resistance. If they see it spike right into this resistance level one more time, they're going to break. And I think that's when they FOMO in. And if you're going to see a pullback, it's going to be from there. Back to the 30 and 50 EMAs. Right? And then you spike it back quick. All the dip buyers waiting for their dip won't buy because it's going to be a quick dip. They're going to be too scared. And then they bring it back up. That's sort of the dip scenario. Either way, I'm still looking for 1670 in the short term. Call for what it is. It is what it is. I'm not shorting Bitcoin and ETH in an uptrend. If it dips, I'll long the dips, but I'm not shorting it down. No. We ain't doing that, man. We ain't doing that. Michael said Vikings gonna go down. Mike, you gonna counter trade me? Michael. Maybe next time, I mean. Maybe next time. All right, anyways. Let's check out some altcoins, shall we? Let's check out some altcoins. I know one altcoin we won't check out today. What's the one altcoin we won't check out today? What is the one altcoin we won't check out today? You guys can probably guess the one altcoin. What's going on, guys? It's Becker. Jordan, we're not checking ADA today. The ADA holders are getting too much euphoria right now. We need to send them back to reality. We're going to send Cardano back to 5 cents, okay? Me and the other whales, we already have a plan. We're sending ADA back to 5 cents, okay? All the ADA holders are a bunch of idiots. I'm clapping their mom as we speak. Okay, I'm going to probably clap their sister. I'm probably going to clap their cousin. Why? Because they're an ADA holder, right? They're salty. Let's see. Who is that? Dennis? Dennis said, hi, Jordan. You're truly a legend. You're the legend, man. I am no legend. I'm no legend. I'm just sitting up here telling you my opinions. You can agree or disagree. To be quite honest, I've always said I don't really care. And to be quite honest, if you disagree with me, that makes me more confident on my decision. I'm going to be honest. Well, what's going on, man? Can you check out TA on XRP? Can I check out TA on XRP? Absolutely, my man. Let me take my last sip of coffee here so I can not slurp, because you guys hate when I slurp. My biggest complaint on my stream. Here's my two biggest complaints. Stop slurping your coffee, okay, and stay on point, okay. Number two, not happening. I'm never going to stay on point. You know why? Because I just never stay on point. I mean, why would I ever do that? It wouldn't be me if I stayed on point. Who do you think I am? Not a clown? I am a clown, right? Number one, start my coffee. I can work on that. Because the comment section, bro, I can't concentrate with you slurping. All right, one more slurp for all the trolls. There we go. Man, that's some good slurpy slurp. All right, let's check out some other shit. Let's check out. I see Litecoin. Oh, here we go. So Litecoin back to the 30 and 50 EMAs. Here's what I was looking at here. All right, Litecoin has had a nice cool off the last couple days, man. Right? And here's the trend of Litecoin. Zoom out on the 4-hour time frame. Here we go. Right? Rise, retrace the 30 and 50. Rise, retrace, rise, retrace. Now, you didn't quite get down to the 30 and 50, right? So I've been kind of slightly patient on this one, right? Slightly patient. And sometimes patience is what you need. I'm still looking for this to come up a little bit more, right? Come up a little bit more like this. See a little bit more sideways, right? And then when it hits here, that's the trigger right there, right? And sort of, you guys want to see this cool thing on Litecoin? Now, this has nothing to do with TA, okay? They want to make that clear. But look at when all the big moves up happen on Litecoin, right? Just a quick little cool thing here. So when was the last big move up on Litecoin? Right, Sunday, right into the weekly close right there, right? That was the last weekly close on Litecoin right there. When was the last time before that? Weekly close was right here, right? When was the last weekly close before that? Sunday, Monday, right here. You guys notice a trend? I'm just curious what the last one before that was. Okay, that one was great. That one, I guess that one was okay. You dipped and then you sort of got another move up. Those are the last four. I guess the three are that. This is a pretty cool little trend here, right? Weekly close was here. You got to move up. Weekly close. Weekly close, weekly close. Now we got the weekly close. We'll see if it plays out again. I thought it was a cool little interesting thing. It seems like Litecoin loves the weekly closes. but we'll sort of see what happens with Litecoin there. I thought that was pretty interesting, to say so myself. You know what I'm saying? Bathwater said wild. Yeah, I thought you'd like that, Bathwater. I like weird little fractals like that. It's pretty cool. Majik said wrecked at the daily 200 EMA. Let's look that you're wrecked. This is your definition of wrecked? You bears are kind of like the bulls now, man. This is you guys. Oh, man. Shout out to Fahid and frickin' there's a JJ who made this. Some of you guys made this in the Discord. This is the bears now, right? You get a little move down. They say you're wrecked at the 200-day EMA. Come on, man. Listen. Come on, man. Bears. You'll, one day. One day. You'll get that pullback. But it ain't now. You're gonna say we're wrecked? Come on, bro. Oh, my Lord. This is you. Alright. I'm done. I said I wasn't gonna troll today. Even though every meme I have here is a troll. Alright, anyways. 20,855. We're wrecked, man. Look at the 1 hour. Woo! Wrecked. Alright. Man. What else do I want to look at today? The DXY. I guess the one thing I'm still worried about going into next week. This is the S&P. This is the one thing that gets me saying, man, I would have liked if this closed with Bitcoin above last week. That would have been awesome. Unfortunately, you closed right below. But I mean, the closes that we got last week, I mean, look at the buy pressure coming in on this last weekly candle for S&P. It makes me hard to believe you're not going to have a continuation here. You dip back down, got bought up. Dip back down, bought up. Right? These last two weekly candles have been two bullish weekly candles, right? So it's hard for me to think you're not going to see continuation when the markets open. The markets are closed tomorrow, which is interesting, right? So the markets aren't open until the Tuesday. This gets me a little bit but we'll see what happens when it comes to that. If this breaks out too, oh man, that'll be very, very epic. Absolutely epic, man. Absolutely epic. Let me see. All right, someone want XRP. Why is this bright like this? Oh my god, man, this is so freaking bright, man. I can't even see. All right, XRP. XRP, we all love XRP. I love XRP. XRP has been kind of It's been kind of lately. Hasn't really, I mean, it's moved up a little bit. Hasn't really seen that impulse yet. Now, this is where it could happen, right? Because here's the deal. You came back to the 30 EMA. Now you got your 4-hour stocks bottomed out. So you've kind of fully reset your small term time frames, right? Nice little sort of Consolidation back down. The 4 hour, I kind of like this one. The 4 hour doesn't look too shabby. Like if you're the person that likes to get the retests, this one's not too shabby in my personal opinion. Let me go to the daily time frame real quick. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, I look up on XRP. I don't see why, and this is why I have my little magnet up here. I don't see why XRP doesn't come up to like 46 cents here. You know what I mean? Because you've seen almost every single other altcoin come up for their vector candles on the upside, which is basically means a high volume candle. There's a lot of liquidity in that range. XRP hasn't done it yet, right? You like to see at least 50% of this candle taken. I'm looking for the top of it, to be honest. 46, which I guess you can kind of correlate it to the underside of this previous support. No, right in this range, I guess, is where I'd look for. Yeah, I see a big, let's zoom out. I see a big daily W pattern. You got back over your 30, 50 EMAs in the daily. Cool. Awesome, right? Congrats. You got back above, you back tested. I still love the daily time frame here, right? Could consolidate for a little bit, right? Daily's a little bit topped out, but still looking for eventually 46 cents on little old XRP here, man. Patience. Oh, patience. Right? Pesh. No, but I actually like XRP. And here's my problem with XRP. Right? And I know the XRPers will get salty, okay? Don't get salty. Listen, if you want to hold XRP, that could play out with you forever. Here's why I don't hold XRP. We're at that point in the cycle. It doesn't matter. Every coin, in my opinion, is going to go up, mostly in 2024. Okay, so at this point, okay, XRP does a 20x. I think everyone think everything else too. So I don't. For me personally, XRP, it's gonna go up. Everything's gonna go up eventually, in my opinion. But sort of risk versus reward. If the case doesn't get settled, it doesn't move as much as everything else. If it does, it probably moves the same as everything else. Why am I gonna hold it? You know, that's my opinion. Take it for what you will. It's pretty much the same thought process as 2021, right? Same thought process for the most part. Shib pumped. Shib pumped. Let's see little Shibby. All right, so here's the deal with Shib. Shibanichi on the daily. So Shib's been kind of silent too. But here's the thing about Shib. Here's what we're talking about with Shib. Shib is always silent until it's not, right? All of a sudden, you'll see Shib just go sideways and then it'll freaking boom out of nowhere. Here's the thing with Shib, man. It's kind of been sort of rejected off this, but is it trying to peak above now? Woo! It could be almost Shib's time. See, I won't be surprised to see this. I won't be surprised if Bitcoin can hold here, okay? I won't be surprised to see Shib in the next couple of days get a quick spike up, just because it's been so bottomed out for so long. Look at Shibby, man. For all the Shibanisis. All right, we need some Shib Vikings out here. We need some Shib Vikings out in this bit. Where's the Shibbers, man? Where's the Dogers? We need some dog coin pumpage. Come on, man. Vikings! There is no hype in the chat. And that is why Bitcoin is not going up right now. Do you remember the hype that we had 2 days ago, 3 days ago in the chat? That is why. We need to bring the energy, okay? The energy makes Bitcoin go up, all right? There is no energy in the chat right now. Let me see that energy. Spam the swords and shields. This is ridiculous. Stop being miserable. Stop being cranky. It is Sunday. It is a great day. It is warm. You got steak yesterday. Spam it. I want to feel the energy. All right? Come on. Do it. Oh, my Lord. Let me feel the energy. And we're going to fight these bears back. Come on. It's too silent on this bitch. Come on. Let's go. There we go. There it is. There's the energy. There's the energy. We got to get the energy in here, man. That's how we... The universe knows. It sucks into energy into Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up and then altcoins go up. We need the energy in the chat. It knows. All right? I'm serious. It works. No, but Shib's been kind of just, it's been kind of suppressed. Not suppressed, I guess is not the right word, but it's sort of lagging behind everything else. So Shib, now that it's sort of breaking this trend line to the downside, all right, maybe you see a little bit of a move. We'll see if it's got the juice. It's need the juice. We always got to need the juice. Short-term time frames, I'm sure it's looking okay here. Let me do Shib. Yeah, you tried to spike up today. See, you tried to spike up today, but you got stopped out right at the top again. Right? See? Right? Spike up. Ah, man. You got right up to the highs and you sort of got rejected here. I think Shib might be one of those that's sort of waiting for Bitcoin's next move, right? Because I think some altcoins might be a little hesitant to get another move up because they don't know what Bitcoin's going to do in its next move. But I'll say, if Bitcoin does have that next move, I think Shib's going to be one of the bigger gainers on that next move, just because it's been suppressed. It's finally breaking that, supply line there. So we'll see what we get, right? We'll see what we get. Anyways, let me take off the Viking helmet here, because I know the trolls will come in. The biggest trolls will come in and say,
Am I really listening to TA from a Viking? Like, this guy doesn't even know TA. This guy doesn't even know TA and he's a Viking. Like, did they even have TA during the Viking times? Like, what'd they even do back then? All they can do is really hunt, jerk off. I mean, I do that too. And I eat a lot of meat too. So I guess I'm kind of a Viking too. I like to eat meat. I like to jerk off. I like to watch Wendy Owen around the blockchain. That's really it. My life's kind of depressing. Come on, shit.
But anyways, let's zoom in. Do we have another meme here I wanted to show? Do we have another meme? Oh, did I show this yesterday? CZ trolling again. And I will say, never bet against CZ. If you guys have, we've been looking at the streams, and every time I bring this up, it seems like CZ is kind of calling every single move. And if you guys have been paying attention to his tweets, you'll know. And I've sort of talked about when he's tweeted, right? At 25K, he warned and said they want to buy lower, not financial advice. It dipped back down. At the lows, he said the shorts are going to get wrecked. The shorts got wrecked. Now he's sort of trolling again. And this guy said lots of saltiness in the crypto Twitter air from people who missed the rally off the bottom. Many are paralyzed from indecision on what comes next. Many already fudding last time above 20K. So why the salt? Blah, blah, blah. CZ said they will be more salty later. So CZ coming in. He's coming in with the troll. So I will say, CZ's been a pretty good indicator lately, man. I will say that. If you don't believe it, go check out some of his tweets. He's been calling every single move. CZ's the market. Basically, he's saying they're going to be more salty later. So good luck. Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Okay. What do we know about CZ? Maybe we're going to call CZ. Maybe he can wake up Asia a little bit. You know what I'm saying? CZ. Yo, can you? Yeah. Can you pump it for us? Oh yeah, I'll press the buy button for you. No problem. All right, here we go. I'll pray. Oh. All right. Anyways. He's the insider and the market maker. Fact, you're gonna fade CZ. Good luck to you. All right. Anyways. Shibanichi. Let's see. CZ is the new SBF. Beware of people with just letters for names. Oh, Brian, man. Maybe one day you'll be correct. Maybe one day the Binance and the Coinbase fudders will be correct. Today's not their day. That is for damn sure. All right, we need some more altcoins, shall we? I guess one more thing on ETH is ETH finally got a weekly close above the bear market resistance band as well, just like BTC. Now I want to see one full weekly close above, but that's a good first step. Now I look at ETH and I say, man, I look at the weekly stock RSI. This is still pointing straight up to the upside with room to run. And I guess the next big level for me on the bigger term time frames, right? I mean, you could pull back on the hourly, the daily. Does that change the weekly? No. Bigger term time frames. If we were to continue this rally over the course of the next couple weeks, 1750, 1730, somewhere in that range, based off this sort of all-time high trend line to the downside. So somewhere in that range, I guess, probably be a little resistance there. We'll see, right? But so far, so good. We'll see. I want to see a full weekly, though. I want to see an open and close. So we got the close. Now let's get an open and close on this next week. As long as you don't fall below 1351 by next week's close, I think all is good in the world, I guess, in my personal opinion. You guys might disagree, but let's see. Bitcoin has never lied to me. Wayne, what has Bitcoin never lied to you about? Let me know. What has it never lied to you about? Man, today's a beautiful day. Guys, what do you think about today? You guys think today's a beautiful day? I really think today's a beautiful day. Can we smack up the like button for your boy, though? All right? I haven't showed the like button for the last couple streams, but man, we got a good amount of people in here. I think we can easily hit 700 to 800 likes in today's stream. Let's make 700 the goal. So if you're in here, you haven't smacked the like button, smack it for your boy. I try not to shill everything, but the like button does help the channel, so that would be freaking awesome. Save one like for me, and not the Instagram that you're probably gonna like the picture later on. Okay, even though, like I said, she might have nice tits or something like that, but I got nice tits too. Okay, do I have to show you my tits for a like? No, smack up that like button, man. All right, appreciate you. They get enough likes. But we're out here streaming for 2 hours while they're just showing their tits. Smack it! Anyways, 20,870. Come on. All right, altcoins. What's going up? Let's sort by change here. Let's see what we got here. Dude, Bonk is going nuts again. Look at Bonk. Bonk's coming back up. Bonk came all the way back up to 19 here from the lows, right? It actually, man, all these shorts got absolutely hammered. Like if you were short Bonk from right here and you were keeping it open, you were probably feeling so confident. This came up and absolutely smacked the shit out of all the shorts all the way from up here and smacked it right back down. That's tough. That's real tough. Both sides just got absolutely effed on Bonk. Good luck to you. Good luck to you on Mr. Bonk. This is going to be a tough level for Bonk right there. But quick little stop pun. Boom. Right back down. Man, that's tough. That's real tough. Real tough, man. All right, SHIB's trying to come back up. See, SHIB, if Bitcoin can hold this range, I do think SHIB is going to see that move here. I do think it's going to see that move. We just need Bitcoin to just go sideways. We're cool with Bitcoin continuing sideways for the next couple hours. I think you're going to see SHIB start to do some shit here. Let's see, the 15 minutes looking not too shabby there. Let's see what SHIB can do. I think, let me go to like the 4-hour time frame on SHIB. Yeah, so look at the 4-hour time frame's just crossing to the upside. So let's see what we get. You guys know my favorite time frame's the 4-hour. Come on, man. Give me that SHIB. Give me that Shibanichi to the upside. Who wants SHIB to go up? Come on.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Let's see, DYDX. See, Sushi. Yeah, Sushi's got a little bit of a woo. Shoopy got Shoopy. Does Sushi got a nice little cup and handle here? Oh man. Sushi. You got a little cup, got a little handle. Oh, I'm not a big cup and handle guy. I'm not a big I like cup and handles, I like cup and handles on my nice little, Ethereum mug here. Which was a great gift, by the way. But I don't like I usually don't like cup and handles on the chart. But this one actually looks kind of sexy, man. That one looks kind of sexy. Basically, you tested the highs. All the bears calling for double top. You range sideways for a little bit. And that probably puts you on Sushi. Little old Sushi probably puts you right back up to these highs here. Right back up to the top. Yeah, look at it. Rest of that vector candle to the upside. And I bet that's... as a measure move, if you're a fan of this, cool. If you're not, whatever. It does put you right up to that level. So we'll see little old Sushi. Sushi. Who can hate on Adorable Dog? Who can hate on Sushi? Listen, I hate on seafood. The only seafood that I like is sushi, man. Okay? I am a perma-bear, bottom dweller, whatever you want to call it. All right? I mean, you could call me anything, really. If you guys want to come at me and call me low IQ, that's cool too. It's cool. It's cool if you want to, right? Jordan, are you serious? You don't like seafood? Oh my God. I did not raise my son like that. Who else doesn't like seafood? If you're in the chat and you don't like seafood, I am going to your job and I'm telling your manager that you're a horrible employee and you swore at me, okay? And I'm going to get you fired. I'm going to get you fired, okay? So you better not tell me you don't like sushi because I will find out where you work and I'll complain to you. All right? Don't tell me that. No, I hate shrimp. I do hate shrimp, but I love some sushi, man. I'm like weird when it comes with that stuff. Like if shrimp was in a sushi roll, I probably would like it because I'm more so like the little juicy what's it called? Freaking soy sauce. You know, I like the saltiness of the soy sauce. Let's see. All right, Shib's still chilling. Let's see. FTM is another one that just keeps rocking and rolling. FTM has been a beautiful one, man. FTM is great right now. Ever since FTM broke this, it's just been up only. And it's really been the back test. Look at FTM right here. Look at FTM. If Bitcoin can hold the range, this is exactly the setup that I look for, right? I look for the upside. Does the upside have liquidity to be taken? Yes, right? You got a big vector candle up here, right here, that has not been taken yet, okay? You're also back at the 30 and 50 EMAs. And then I go to the 4 hour and say, okay, is the 4 hour stock RSI bottomed out? Yes. Yeah, that's my setup right there. Right? Doesn't mean you take it. You stick. And can I say this, guys? Can I say this?
Rant alert.
If you're trying to become a trader, right? If you try to just trade in general, do not try to copy someone else's strategy. Okay? Because here's what I'll say. If you try to copy someone else's strategy, it's not going to work for you. You know why? Because everyone has a different mentality. Right? Some people are great at shorting. Some people are great at long. Some people are great at using moving averages. Some people are great at using vector candles. Some people are great at using market cipher. Everyone's different because everyone has good strengths and weaknesses. For myself, I'm not very patient, right? I am not very patient. So this helps me be patient, right? Where I have this, I don't long or short until this hits. Until this hits, I can't do it. Right? So this helps me do this. Everyone's different. So if you're trying to join like a trading group or some shit like that to learn, the best way to learn to trade is you do it yourself. Do it for free first, right? Do it for free. Do it for like $5 trading. Practice. You got to figure out your own strategy because it's not going to work for everyone, right? Someone could teach you everything they know and you could still be a horrible trader. Why? Because someone can give you a buy and sell point. And you could still mess up the trade. Why? Because you don't do everything. You don't freaking sell when you're supposed to, and you don't put your stop loss in. You gotta learn your own strategy. Seriously, that's one of my biggest pet peeves. You know, you gotta do it yourself. You gotta do it yourself and learn. Shib's pumping. Let's see Shib. Oh, come on, Shibby, give me that little juice. Come on, Shibby.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Come on. Come on. Here we go. BTC pump. Here we go, man. Yeah, guys, make sure if Bitcoin does break to the upside, be very, very careful. 21,500, okay? We will get the moon helmet on and we will get hyped in the chat, all right?
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
We're back to playing that one instead of this one.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Let's see. So 21,500. If that does hit, be very, very careful because like we said, that's psychologically, that's where a lot of people are going to FOMO. Why? Because that's the 618 Fibonacci. Everyone likes to FOMO. It's nature. Everyone likes to buy or sell at the 618 Fibonacci level. It's nature. It's like pre-programmed. It's honestly like humans are programmed. They love to buy at the 618 Fibonacci. So be very careful right there. That could be a point of rejection. Now, I'm not calling for pullbacks. You know why I'm not calling for pullbacks? Because you've been wrong every time you call for a pullback. You've been wrong the whole way up. Why are you going to keep trying to short? You know what I mean? Just follow the trend. Follow the trend. Shit. But let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Can Bitcoin get enough juice? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. 21.5. Let's see. We are so back, said B-Water. We are so back. No pullbacks, man. What have I been saying? Max pain is no pullbacks. No pullbacks. Man. Wayne said if it breaks 61.8, it will keep going. Wayne's already trolling to 60K. You're crazy, bro. Where's Alpy been? Alpy said we're going to 69K by March. Let's see. Let's see. Guess we'll hang out. We'll hang out on Bitcoin. Seems like altcoins are kind of chilling. ETH is also coming up. Let's zoom in a little bit on ETH here. ETH's got a nice chart. 1559. Let's see what we got. Fear and greed in neutral. Got out of extreme fear fast. Yeah, I'm actually shocked. It's only, and if you actually look at the Bitcoin search terms, sometimes I like to look at that to see what people are searching for. The Bitcoin search terms are actually still at the lowest point that they've been since 2020. People aren't paying attention, and that's exactly what you want to see. On the other, on the other moves up, we'll look at it in a little bit, but on the other moves up, you saw interest come up. On this one, still down. It's still at the bottom. 15.58. Let's see what we got. Can ETH break up? Can Bitcoin break up? Come on, man. Come on, BTC. Give me a little juice to 21.5, baby. Let's see. No, we're not going to pump shit, bro. Altcoins are chilling at the moment. Come on, we need a little juice. All right, do we need to wake up Asia? We need to wake up Asia. Everyone spam sushi in the chat, baby. Spam the sushi emoji. Come on. It's the Asian session, and they like to pump it. I'm telling you. All right, let's go. Look at the sushi. All right. He said no. All right. All right. 20,962. Let's see. Do I sell my ship or hold? I'm not going to tell you what to do, man. Listen, I mean, you're at the highs. So it's probably better. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do, man. There's two different ways of thinking. Are you a holder or you're a trader? If you're a holder, I'm not selling here. If you're a trader, I mean, it's better to take profits here than long at the resistance. No, it depends. It depends what your time frame is, right? If you're on the daily, I mean, you're just breaking out now. But if you're on the 1 hour, you're at resistance. It all depends on what time frame you're looking at. You know, everyone does it a different way. It all depends, baby. It all depends. All right, BTC right back at the top of the triangle, getting rejected. Oh man, we're just getting tight. We're getting tight in here, man. These stupid little triangles. I hate these symmetrical triangles. They're so stupid. You don't know which way they're gonna break. You just know something's gonna come in here. You just don't know which way it's gonna break. Place your bets, right? It's like a 50-50 bet. Which way is it gonna break? You know, place your bets, man. Place your damn bets. All right. Sushi. John said, I don't trade well. You don't trade well? I mean, you got to do what you got to do, man. You got to do what you got to do. Someone's been... You guys are crazy, bro. No, GMT is another one that's been going absolutely nuts. Let's see, GMT. Where is it? Where is it on the list? Where is it? What the heck? Hello? Hello? Is it gone? Did I press the X? I must have pressed the X by accident. Let's see. GMT. Not GMY. GMT. Pulling back. I mean, listen, I mean, on the daily, it was up. I mean, this one's already up from, on the lows. Basically, on the lows, this one went from 20 cents to almost 60 cents in about 2 weeks. It's about a 3x in 2 weeks. You got to see this one probably cool down for a little bit. And that's what you're seeing. I'd probably wait for a cool down to the 4-hour EMAs. So these ones are coming up, right? Patience, patience, patience. You see, like right here, you get a big move up. It goes sideways for a while until you catch up, and then it moves up again. So if this one goes sideways for a little bit until these sort of come up, right? And then you hit it, and then you go again, right? So this one, patience. I mean, this one's done a 3x in the last 2 weeks, so that's a big freaking move, especially for now, right? We haven't. When's the last time you saw an altcoin do a 3x in 2 weeks? That hasn't been a shit coin, like something that's under 200 on coin market cap. It's been a while. It's been a while. So maybe a cool off phase. I mean, I think a lot of these altcoins are at resistance points, but well, what do we know about alts? If Bitcoin's gonna come up, right? You'd probably see altcoins move too. The thing that makes me somewhat bullish on altcoins is the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. So this is the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio on the daily. We did know we broke up from a little meme symmetrical triangle, right? But the point is we came back down, we back tested, and I mean this is the point where I guess this makes me somewhat bullish on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And if ETH Bitcoin outpaces BTC for a little bit, I would expect other altcoins to do it too. So we'll see. We'll see what happens on this. This could, for another day, come back down, double bottom, come up. But overall, I like this chart. I like this little old shoddy for ETH BTC, which could be good for some altcoins. But it has been the Bitcoin show, right? It doesn't seem like it's been the Bitcoin show. But like when you take all the altcoins, all the altcoins together, it's really been Bitcoin has been leading the charge here. So at some point, altcoins will. But we know about if this is going to be a real rally, we actually want to see Bitcoin dominance go up. Right? We want to see Bitcoin outpace altcoins for a real rally. If altcoins just are exploding and Bitcoin's chilling, it's usually not the best sign, right? Based off history. 2020, Bitcoin exploded before altcoins did. 2019, Bitcoin exploded before altcoins did. Even though you're still seeing altcoins go up, don't get me wrong. You're still going to see them go up. It's just Bitcoin goes up more, percentage-wise. And that's what you want to see. You want to continue to see, over the course of the long term, there's Bitcoin dominance. You want to see this continue to go up, in my opinion. Right? See, if this continues up, that makes me a little bit more bullish, to be honest. And it's been going up since early January, right? So that's good. That's real good. All right, Bitcoin's back to the highs. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Wrap up. We're going to the moon.
We need the moon helmet? No, I think we need the moon helmet. I think we need it. Should we put it on right now? Guys, should we put on the moon helmet right now? Let me know in the chat. Here we go. 21,018. We've came up to this level once, twice, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. This is the 5th time Bitcoin's, and this has been the range high, right? So we obviously have the range high at 21K. We have the range low at 20,500. Can we break the range high on a close? We just opened a new hourly, so this is you could see a wick up. You've seen a wick up above this a few times. Let's see what we get though. Here we go. Come on, man. Give me a little juice on for Bitcoin here. 21,028. All right, we're trying to get back above that 21K level. Let's see what we got. All right. The short's about to get wicked out again. As you see, 21.5. They said I don't see them dumping it from this level, Rand. They always come up to FID levels before they dump. That's why I see if they're going to dump it, they're going to do it from 21.5, in my opinion. They're going to bring it up to 21.5, right? Get everyone to formal win right at 21.5. And if they do want to bring it down, that'll be the point they bring it down, right? And there it is. Boom. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, counter trade me, baby. No, if they're gonna dump it, 21.5. I'll say if they just smash it past 21.5, bro. If they just smash past 21.5, I will say this. To me, there ain't anything until you're getting to 22.5, 23K. There's just nothing there, man. There's just nothing there. Let's see. Another one bites the dust. Oh, and all the shorts are gone. They're gone. Peace. Asia market hasn't opened yet. Oh, dude. I would love if they pump it into Asia, get them in. It's a little bit too early to play the pump song, guys. I want to at least see this wick broken. I want to see Bitcoin get this wick broken here. I don't want to play the pump song too early. All right? I want to play the pump song, man. I really, really do. But I'm not going to play it until we break this wick, 21,320. It could be quick, though. We'll see. We'll see if the FOMO comes in. We'll see. We'll see if the FOMO comes in. Right now, you're kind of lagging, but I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves here. All right? Well, let's keep a calm composure here. ETH also did wick up. So see, ETH wicked up above this psychological level at 1564, right? So one big range play on ETH. One big range play. It's been 1563 on ETH on the range high, and then we had 1520 range low. You're right at the range high, but you gotta wick up. You gotta get above there with some momentum. You know, that was the first try, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna fail, but let's come on, man, come on, give me a little juice. Give me a little. He said Asia woke up. All right, we need to wake up. I don't think they all woke up. I think we need to wake them up a little bit more, shall we? Oh my god, I smell like shit. I smell like shit. I need some deodorant. Alright, enough. Alright. We're getting too hyped in there. Too hyped. ETH still at range highs. Bitcoin still... I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced just yet. I need to see a little bit more momentum here. I'm not convinced yet. It doesn't have me getting hyped yet. Now, it's a little bit of hype, but not a lot. Let's see. Altcoin still just kind of chilling there. They're waiting to see if Bitcoin can do something for real. Let's see. Litecoin moving up yet? Let's see what we got. It's trying. It's right there. Let's see. Let's see what else we got. Doge. See, Doge is right there too. Most altcoins are up like 1%. They all got good setups, in my opinion. They all got the good setups, right? Look at Uniswap up to 30 and 50 EMAs. You got the setup to take the rest of this liquidity to the upside, right? It's all there, baby. It's all there. I think we need to get. You know what's gonna get us hyped? Are the Bears salty right now? Are the Bears salty? I think the Bears are a little salty right now. Listen, guys, I told you that the bottom was going to be in, and I've been telling you guys this for months. The bottom was going to be in December or January, okay? It doesn't matter about price, it's about time, okay? I called the bottom, okay? I nailed the top time-wise, I nailed the bottom time-wise, and I also saved crypto, okay? And to be honest, I can out-bench press the shit out of you guys too, okay? So, get out of my chat. Stop being salty for Jordan. I love Jordan, okay? I was in this chat the other day. Stop being salty right now. Don't be mad that you're all in cash, okay? And you're seeing everything pump 2 to 3x off the bottom, okay? Don't be mad. It's okay. Next time, you'll get them. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to make you a little bit more salty. Time to bench press your ass. I'm about to bench press your body weight right now. Here we go. How does it feel? BB called the market better than you did. Oh my lord. How does that feel? That must hurt. That must really, really hurt you. Oh my god. BB, if you're in here, can you troll a little bit with me? Oh man. Come in the chat and troll. I know you're in the. I know you're in the background. George is probably in here too. George, troll. I need George coming in saying, "Hey, you had months up by the bottom." You know. Let me see. Oh man, free submit. 21,128. Holy Lord. Come on, BTC. Give me a little bit more juice. We got to break 21,321 to get the pump song rolling. ETH is poking up here. ETH is poking up. So ETH Bitcoin must be at least trying to come up a little bit now. Excuse me. I'm burping up a storm here. I might as well take a fart too. There we go. Do we have more memes in here? I think I had some more memes. Oh yeah. You guys want a funny meme? There you go. Ready? Let me turn this up. Oh, we got this.
Almost a month for this. Should be some fireworks tomorrow. Been waiting almost a month for this. Should be some fireworks tomorrow. Hopefully.
All right. Anyways. Oh man, another meme. We got a meme out here. Dun, 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 dun. Where's pencil neck? Oh Lord. All right, 21,200. Come on, BTC. We got to get, like I said, 21,326. Java's liquidation price is 21.5. That's the 618 retracement. Let's get busy. He said I'm poking a turd. All right. Oh man, we got some good stuff here, man. Good stuff. All right, here comes BTC. Here we go. Come on, hit that 21.5 level, man. Hit that 21.5. I told you, stop calling for pullbacks, man. Stop calling for pullbacks. Lord, you just keep calling a pullback every single resistance, bro. Eventually it'll happen, but if you keep trying to short every resistance, god damn. Come on, man. Eventually Bitcoin will pull back. And if it's going to do it, it's going to do it right here. 21.5. If it doesn't do it right there, dude, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we see 22.5, 23K pretty freaking quick. So we'll see what we get. Come on, BTC, give us some more juice. Oh no, Mr. Bill, we gonna go up. We gonna go. Now pullback will come this time. This time it's pullback time, said Frank Fractal. Frank Fractal, I think it's calling for pullback every single day in the chat, man. You know what I mean? Like, eventually it'll happen. I'm not an idiot. Like, I'm not just gonna say it's gonna go up forever, but until it does, I mean, it's you're kind of a dumbass for keep calling a pullback every single resistance. I'm just saying. Stupid. I'm just saying. Respect the trend until the trend is broken. You haven't even gotten a shallow pullback on Bitcoin, right? Every single time it goes down a little bit, it just gets buttoned up instantly so far. Eventually that'll change at some point. It hasn't happened yet. Let's see. I just want to break that. I want to see, man, 21.5 is the big level. Because here's what all the bears are saying, right? The bears are still saying this. Okay, the bears are still saying you're below the 200-day EMA, which you're at right now. If Bitcoin closes higher than it is right now, you're above the 200-day EMA, right? Ooh, here's been the bears playbook, right? Here's a pen.
You're still below the 200-day moving average, bro.
Nope.
You're below the 200-day exponential moving average, bro. It's still a lower low. It's still a lower low. You're gonna go down. It's a lower low.
You got the pencil there. You might be right. Sure. You might be right. But we'll see. We shall see, man. We shall see. Like I said the other day, people who want the price to go down from this point are people that did not buy low. That's it. I'm going to be honest. It is what it is. Let's see. Man. DXY. DXY going into next week is interesting too. Right? Man. The DXY just keeps... I think at some point the DXY is going to have a spike up. It's going to be like a short squeeze in the DXY. Eventually, you're going to see a short squeeze in the DXY. Eventually, this is going to spike up. You're going to see a pullback on BTC. You're going to see a pullback on the stock market. When is it going to happen? I have no clue, man. I couldn't tell you when that's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? But it's just a parabolic move to the downside like it was a parabolic move up. You got to expect us to have a move up at some point. I guess the next level I'm looking at is 101.26, which you still got a little bit more down for this, but oh, man. I don't know, man. It's sort of like another one of those things where you keep saying eventually it's going to move up, but like it just doesn't. You know what I mean? So DXY, a little bit interested in that. Let's see. Christopher Reed said rip. TYTY. What's going on, dude? What's going on? Jordan is greedy with the music. I'm telling you, it's going to feel better. I will not see. Bitcoin just wicked to 21,326. We got to wait for a nice move above. And I think we're going to get it in the stream right here. I think we're going to get it, man. I think we're going to get it. You know, as I told you guys to counter trade me. And, you know, it is what it is. I think we'll see 21.5 on the stream today. 21.5. What it does after that, I don't know. I play it range by range. 21.5. You'll probably find a little bit of a rejection off 21.5 if I'm going to guess. Just because it's a big psychological level. And you'll probably see a lot of retail FOMO in from right here, where you are now, in between this level right here. You're going to see a lot of FOMO right here. But that's psychologically the point where they usually do bring it down to scare them out, make them sell again, and then bring it back up again, you know? So we'll see what happens from that point. I want more Asian music. You want more Asian music? We're kind of losing a little bit of momentum here. I think we need more hype than that. I think we need like some serious shit. Okay? Because I'm sensing a little bit of a momentum shift here. Okay? We need some more hype in the chat, guys. This is ridiculous. We keep saying this. I told you guys this earlier. Why did Bitcoin just move up? Because there was energy in the chat, right? Bitcoin collects the energy in Jordan's chat. It's from you guys. All from you guys. You guys give it the energy. Okay? So what we need to do here is get that energy back into Bitcoin. So we need to spam the swords and shields, and it's going to go back up. All right? So here we go. You ready? You ready for it? You ready? Hold on. Wait for it. Come on. Ready? Spam the sword! Spam the shields! This is ridiculous! We are not peasants! We are Vikings! The bears have taken our land, but we will take it back this week! These idiots keep shorting Bitcoin, and they will keep getting wrecked. Just wait for it. Everyone keeps shorting and getting wrecked. It's coming. Fight! All right, here we go. We got some energy. We got some energy back in the chat. Now watch. Give it a few minutes. That energy is going to go from you guys into the coin of Bitcoin, okay? And into Ethereum. Give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes. Okay, that was our first attempt. Let's get a second attempt. All right? Give it a few minutes. Give it a few minutes. We'll watch us wick right back down. And it's like, oh, come on, man. All right, ETH. ETH still below. ETH still chilling below. So let's see what we get on ETH. Bitcoin. Let's give Bitcoin a few minutes. Let's see what some alts are doing. Any altcoins coming up? Not really. Not really. Most of them are chilling. They're all just chilling. Some of them are chilling back at the lows. Some of them are chilling back at the highs. But they're all relatively... A lot of them are just chilling at their 30 and 50 EMAs on the hourly. Which, you know, I mean, take it for what you will. We'll see what Bitcoin does here. Bona, 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 bona. All right, I need to take off this damn helmet. It's too hot in here, in this bitch. It's winter time, but shit. It's too hot in this freaking helmet for this. Holy moly. Oh, we got dumb. Let's see. Wayne said, do it for a woman. Do it for a man. Wayne, don't be... I am not going to say that last part. You got a better shot. You're trying to troll me in here, Wayne. I am not going to say that last part. You are baiting me so bad. For the men, for the women, and for the... You guys can probably find Wayne's comment. Let's see. Healthy retest. Pseudo investing. It's raining blood. It's almost like that song. It's raining blood. Hallelujah. It's raining blood. Amen. It's raining blood. You know what I'm watching tonight, guys? You know what I'm watching tonight. I'm watching 90 Day Fiancé tonight, baby. It's 90 Day Fiancé tell-all tonight. And I'm about to get hyped on 90 Day Fiancé tonight. And yeah, if you guys want to make fun of me for watching 90 Day Fiancé, stupid. It is a great show, okay? And I don't want to hear you guys making fun of me for watching 90 Day Fiancé. Because, like I said, it is the best show on TV, all right? And I don't care what you say. Waiting for the trolls, waiting for the trolls. And I'll tell you, you can't troll the troll, man. You cannot troll me. I am untrollable. That's why I think the troll. That's why I love my stream. I think the trolls eventually, like, they try to troll me in the chat, and I think they eventually realize, like, I am untrollable. You know, like, I can't be trolled. Well, like I said, a lot of these other people have such thin skin. They start flipping out. Man, it's like, dude, it's gonna be emotional, man. I'm Bro, you gotta pull your man card for watching that? Dude, it's a good show. I don't care what you say. Now, do I agree with a lot of people do on there? No, I don't. But at the same time, it's a good show. Can't troll the troll, man. You cannot troll the troll. I've always said that. How do you... For all you guys that get annoyed by trolls, I know a lot of you guys get annoyed by trolls, whether it's because of crypto or something else. How do you piss off a troll? Okay, and I see everyone approach a troll the wrong way. They try to fight with the troll, okay? They try to fight with the troll, and they try to prove the troll wrong. What pisses a troll off the most is ignoring the troll, okay? Ignoring the troll. Number two, what pisses a troll off even more? If you think you can beat the troll in their troll, oh, go for it. Because you'll make the troll look stupid if you can beat the troll. But if you don't have the ammo to beat the troll, just ignore them. That hurts them more than anything in the world. Okay? Goes out for all the trolls out there.
Rant alert.
Because I'm troll. We're all trolls. You know what I mean? All right. Anyways. Gala to 150. To 150? Holy crap. Gala to 150. I mean, I think Gala's all-time high was 70 or 82 cents. 82 cents. Gala is one of the lower cap altcoins that I liked. We talked about it months ago. This one, man, I like Gala for the next run, right? It got sold off so much more. That doesn't necessarily have to mean it goes up more, but it tells me where it can get. You know what I mean? And that's like from here to here is a 20x to the highs at this point, just to get the previous all-time highs. Doesn't mean it ever has to get up there, but it shows me what it can do. And if you like the project, that you like that a lot. You know what I mean? Still got a lot of work to do. Not saying we're doing this. What? You know, but you get the point. BTC still just chilling, man. Still just chilling. Let's see what we got. We got a spike up, but it's not really insta selling off here. Let's see where this ends up closing. We still got 33 minutes into the hourly close, so a lot can happen on this candle. ETH is still chilling below. To troll, the troll power. Troll the troll. Alpy said 65K by March. Alpy, I'm still waiting, man. Alpy, like, oh, man. I hope you're right, Alpy. That would be great. That would be absolutely great. It's like Chewy. When Chewy called the 15.5K bottom, that was awesome. So far, Chewy's killed it. Chewy was the only one. And you know what's the funny part? Back in the day, you know, when Bitcoin was around here, or even when it's down here, and I'm not taking credit for this. Like I said, I'm not calling bottoms. I don't know if the bottom's in. At this point, it's about time for me. 2023 is the year of a year, even the end of last year, right? I mean, if you guys watching the channel, I had my accumulation zone marked off in this level. This is time for accumulation. Most people won't because they'll be fearful, and you can see it, man. Most people still want the price to go down, even though there was 2 months of time that you could have bought BTC at 15.5 or 16K. Most people didn't, right? And most people still didn't even buy at 19 or 18, right? Where it was in June and July and August. Let's be honest. You had 7 months to accumulate down here. So don't say you didn't have time. But here's what I'll say. I'm not in the business of calling bottoms. 2023 is accumulation year for the halving. And Chewy was the only one that was calling for 15.5. I said it's going to be somewhere where no one expects it, right? Everyone, after Bitcoin broke this previous low, everyone was expecting to go to 14K. It trolled. It stopped at 15.5, where no one was calling for 15.5. It trolled and brought it back up. That is the ultimate troll for BTC. The ultimate troll. It always is going to stop somewhere where you can't expect it to stop. You know what I mean? And this might not be the bottom. We might eventually come down way later in the year or something. But good start, right? Good start for Bitcoin here, which is freaking awesome. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. Get some hype back for a little bit. Giz said bull run too early. Not based off history, bro. It's not too early for a move up. Anyone remember 2019? Anyone remember this? 1 year of down. And from, where is it? From the middle of January, which is right here, till July, which Bitcoin always usually has a run into July. June and July tend to be good months for Bitcoin. Up until about July, right? So about 7 months, it had to move to the upsides. Anyone say that it's impossible for Bitcoin to go up? I mean, I get the macro still shit, right? I mean, listen, or apparently it is. I mean, inflation's coming down pretty hot. Unemployment is still low. But you know, once again, we'll see where we're at. Everyone's all of a sudden a macroeconomist, even though no one, including myself, didn't know anything about macroeconomics a year ago. Now all of a sudden, I sort of made this. I made this joke, man, and this is including me. All of a sudden, I become a macroeconomist, right? Even Jimmy down the street, who knows nothing about money, okay? Jimmy down the street, Jorge, all these guys down the street. You even got these guys going like this. Oh, man, the economy shit, huh? 2023 is going to be a horrible year. Oh, yeah, man. It's going to be freaking horrible. Hey, I sold all my assets, man. It's going to be a recession. It's going to be horrible in 2023, bro. Horrible, man. It's all over the news. Everyone's saying it's going to be a bad year. So everyone thinks it's going to be a bad year. That means it's going to be a bad year. Oh, yeah, man. Literally, man. I mean, and this is including myself. I'm kidding on myself here. Is everyone knew nothing about macroeconomics a year ago. Now everyone's a genius all of a sudden. You know what I mean? And you got Jimmy. You got people who don't know nothing about anything who think they know what's coming. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. I mean, I will say if Bitcoin never comes down here again, that's going to be painful for a lot of people, because I know a lot of people weren't buying down here, weren't doing it. They weren't doing it. Why? Because you had all these guys talking about macroeconomy. You have all the FUDsters. Binance is going down. Coinbase is going down. Right? It's almost like it was the opposite of the end of 2021. Time will tell. I've seen the things I like to see for, and if it gets invalidated, how does it get invalidated? For me, I mean, I would say a weekly close below 18.3, at this point. All right, we sort of invalidated that, but anything above that, even if Bitcoin does come down here, we said that's certainly a possibility, then nothing's really invalidated, right? Let's see. Hey, Joe, what's the short-term target for SHIB? Depends on Bitcoin's move, my man. Depends on Bitcoin's move, right? This is a point where Bitcoin could get a pullback from, right? 21,475 is the 618 fib. You just wicked up to like 21,337, right? Somewhere in this range is a pullback area for Bitcoin, possibly. I'm not calling for. I'll continue to say this. Like, if you keep calling for pullbacks for Bitcoin, you've been wrong every single time. So it's one of those things that it's a tough spot, right? It puts you in a tough spot right now because you don't know what's coming, right? You don't know what's coming. So you got. Here's the decision you got to make, right? You got to basically wait for a pullback, right? And that's the cop-out answer, right? Every person will say just wait for a pullback, but the obvious question to that is, what if the pullback doesn't come? And you got to, have an option for that too. You know what I mean? So the most easy answer is say, wait for a pullback, bro. Wait for a pullback, bro. I mean, yeah. But if you've been saying that since 17K, I mean, it is what it is. Excuse me. Yo, Dan's coming in with the 5 gifted member. I gotta play the pump song for Dan. Shit. Holy moly. Dan's coming in here hot. Whoa. Daniel. Oh, man. Dan. He said, Dan the sugar daddy. Chrisek, what's up, man? It's good to see Chrisek. Chrisek, it's good to see you in here, man. I remember when Chrisek was a regular back in 2021. I'm glad to see Chrisek. We're seeing a lot of old names come back, and that is awesome. A lot of old names back in the chat. Wait, aren't y'all still... Camirand, Psycho Pearl, your mom. We got Handleton. Nice. We got some good peeps in there. Psycho Pearl. Oh, man, I don't want Psycho Pearl to be a member. I'm just kidding. I love Psycho Pearl, man. Psycho Pearl's the homie. And your mom. Oh, my God. Your mom's the biggest troll ever. Why did he have to become? Anyways. Let's see. Let's look at some alts here. Man, Shib is just... Shib is just like... is flirting with you here, right? Shib's like the... Shib... Man. It's edging here, right? It hits... cools down, hits again. It's really edging that 11 I'm just gonna call it 11 cents, whatever. It's not 11 cents. Really edging that 11 cent level right there. It's edging, man. FTM's been a beast. We talked about FTM earlier. FTM's been a freaking tank. I look up and I don't see why FTM at this point, over the course of time, might not be right from here. I don't see why FTM doesn't come and test this high here. I mean, if you zoom in, look what you've done so far, right? You had this previous little high here. You basically just came back down, wick to that, back tested as support. And once again, I wouldn't be surprised to see this continue to move up till 41-ish on FTM. Would not be surprised there. Once again, a longer term target, right? After breaking out of a big sort of falling wedge structure. It's pretty beautiful. I like this. I like this a lot for little FTM. Beautiful. Dan said claiming this on my taxes for a loss. Thank you, man. That really makes me feel good about what you did, man. Claiming it as a loss. Hey, do it, man. Do it. Let's see. What else we got? Anything else popping up? Looks like GMT's trying to go up again here. Attempting to. Come on, man. Send it. Send it, boy. Let's see. Yeah, all the altcoins have the same setup. They're all right back at 30 and 50 EMAs, all pointing to the upside. Bitcoin's is stalling here. Let's see what we got. So you had a first initial wick up. Let's see if it goes forward again and tries the second time. Let's see. Let's actually zoom in on the 15-minute. So 15-minute, you got a big spike up here. See that? big spike up, big spike down. To me, I mean, and what I've noticed Bitcoin do on this move up is it has these big spike up and then it insta spikes back down. It basically comes back down, takes that liquidity real quick to the downside and actually spikes up again. I've noticed Bitcoin do that a lot. Yeah, especially into the downside too. Let me give you guys some examples here. You see these vector candles looking left? It's been tending to spike up, right? And then it spikes back down to that next candle, takes that liquidity, spikes up again, right? Spikes back down, takes half the vector, spikes up again. It sort of quickly takes that. It's almost like you don't have to take it later on. Let's see. It's I'm not going to go all the way back in time, but you guys get the point there. So let's see. This is the 15-minute time frame. So it looks like you actually just, you basically spiked up, spiked down, you back tested the triangle, even though I'm not a big fan of triangles, man. It's more of, okay, when is a move going to happen? It gives you a little bit of a time frame, really. But, all right, let's see if you spike back up now. Let's see. I wouldn't be surprised if you did. See the buy pressure? I mean, you wicked down, you wicked back up, wicked back up. So you got some buyers coming in here at 120. And ETH's coming back up above resistance here too. Let's check ETH on the 15-minute. See ETH? See what ETH did on the 15-minute? It's not too shabby so far, right? You had this big horizontal resistance. So ETH just wicked up, wicked back down, but you're actually finding support on top of this now. You're actually finding some support on top of this. So let's see if that can come up now too. Let's see. This is super short-term time frame shit. But sometimes you got to zoom in a little bit. You got to zoom in just a little bit. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Auntie said that's how Bitcoin operates. Yeah, it spikes up, right? Everyone goes, I'm 100x long, right? I'm going to be rich. Right? It's sort of like the inverse of the bear that we watched, right? You get in on a massive long, basically. Like this guy comes in and says, yeah, man, I just got in a massive long position. Massive long position. I'm going to be freaking rich. Oh my God, it's pumping. I'm up 50K, 100K. I'm up 1 million. I'm so rich. Oh, it's just a pullback. It's just a pullback. Wait. No, stop. No. Oh, no, it's going back up again. I just got stopped out. Right? I think everyone's been there before. But that's definitely been the case. Definitely been the case. Let me see. Bear flag on the 1 hour BTC. Bear flag. Bear flag. I don't see no bear flag, my man. I'm gonna be honest. If it was there, I'd say it. I don't see any bear flag there though. To be completely honest. You know what I mean? Let's see. What else you guys saying here? Steven said now Lambo. No Lambo yet, man. No Lambo yet. No Lambo yet. But this is, this is around the time where the people who get Lambos a year from now and 2 years from now, this is where they start. You don't get a Lambo in the bull market. You get a Lambo in the bear market. Doesn't seem like it. But once again, if Bitcoin's bottom is in, which no one knows it is, but if it is, once again, the herd missed it. Again. It's the same thing over and over again. Who knows if it is? Like I said, I don't know. You don't know. We all don't know. But this is the time where you build your portfolio. Not saying FOMO in now. Supports, man. Supports. Buy on red candles, not on green. Most people don't like to do it. Buy when you mostly don't want to do it. The more time you're afraid. Okay? Which was the last 2 months when everyone thought every exchange was going to go down. That was the time to buy. Now you got to decide if you want to FOMO in or not. I'm not a fan of FOMOing. I'd rather wait. You do what you want to do. But here's the deal. Now's the time on pullbacks or whatever, whenever that happens, is the time you build your portfolio for the next 1 or 2 years. Once again, most people will buy above 40, 50K a year from now. That's not going to get you a Lambo. What gets you a Lambo is buying Bitcoin at 15K, ETH below 1,000, right? Altcoins, before they do a 10x, you know what I mean? But no one wants to do it then. which is why most people don't get a Lambo. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It is what it is. Dan said half in. He's got half his little chub in. He's got half his little chub. Dan, he's got half his little chub. He's about to bust a nut on the crypto market. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Just make sure you pull it out before the blow off top, if you know what I mean.
Rant alert.
Oh, man. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we got. E's still holding the highs. Bitcoin's still holding, man. Bitcoin's still holding here. Let's see. Most people will be lucky to get their money back. Lambo not in sight. That's a pessimist way to look at it. Let's see. Dan said, I have a good personality. Do you? Do you, Dan? No, you do have you have a very good personality, my man. Very good personality. Bump. Matty G Sky said, nope. Stop, man. He said, stop. Jordan, just please stop, man. You're making a fool out of yourself. I'm making a fool of myself every single damn day. Oh, you guys want to know where the savvy line is, by the way? Here's our ultimate target, guys. This is where we really start trolling, all right? I watched Savvy's video yesterday because I like to know what his targets are. He made this statement, and we're going to hold it to him. We are going to hold Savvy to this if this comes over the course of time. Now, does it? I don't know, like I said. But Savvy said, and he said this word by word, he said, I will flip bullish and buy Bitcoin and become a bull if it gets above 25,000, if it gets back above the 55 EMA on the weekly. That is at 25,658. Those were his words verbatim. He said he was going to buy and flip bullish if we get back above 25,650. So we're going to hold him to that. So this white line on the weekly right here is called the savvy line. And we're going to go for that savvy line, okay? And we're not going to make him forget that he said that because I have it. I snipped what he said, okay? I have it ready to go, okay? So we can't hide it. This is the savvy line right here. 25,658. Will we get it anytime soon? I don't know, but we have it, all right? And this is going to come down every single week. So we wait. I get bearish pumps on my head. Let's see. That where the pullback will come. Exactly. It'll get back over that and then dump, just like it did last year. Oh, man. Let's see. Ugly people have the best personality. I'm actually going to disagree with that. I don't think that's true. I actually don't think that's true. I will say, I think it's pretty even. I think non-ugly people and ugly people both can have good or bad personalities. I've seen many Big Berthas and I've seen many Big Bobs have been absolute bitches and absolute a-holes, right? I've seen many of it. Everyone's had that old boss that was super overweight, right? And which is cool. I mean, you can do that if you want. Had that old boss that's super overweight, right? Where his stomach's like going over his belt and he's just an absolute dickhead. Everyone's had that boss, right? Man, it was so good telling that freaking boss to F off. But yeah, everyone's had that boss in their past, okay? Don't be that boss. By the way, if you're that boss who has like the stomach going over the belt, right? You guys know that boss, right? He kind of looks like Bob a little bit. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna fire you. If you don't do what I say, I'm gonna fire you. I'm gonna fire you, bro. And like,
right? Everyone's had that boss. And like I said, the stomach goes over the belt. You know what I mean? And they try to tuck it in, but the shirt always comes untucked. And whenever they duck down, their ass cat comes out because their pants are too low. Because they have it. I mean, you guys know the point. But yeah, everyone has that boss. Everyone has it. Let's see. Michael said market makers messing with people. I think this is pretty clean price action. To me personally, this is pretty damn clean. Breakout back test. You know, if it does wick down here, then it's gonna mess. If Bitcoin just does this, man, that's the market makers just effing with people. But I mean, if it breaks out, back tests, and gets the continuation here, that's clean. Clean as a whistle. But we'll see what they do from here. I'm very curious what they'll do from here. Very, 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 very curious. Ethereum, same thing, right? I mean, you broke out, you back test. If they bring it down, if you come back down here and you find acceptance down here again, this is probably coming back down to the bottom of the range. Only if you find acceptance down here. If you don't, anything above here is now, and now you flip the old resistance as support now, which is a good sign. But there's always a way you can invalidate that. Always. I know what Job is saying right now.
That's a double top. Double top. I'm calling double top at every resistance. You guys want to see all the times I called double top? Come on, let's go check. I called a Bitcoin double top right here. I was wrong. I was so wrong. I called a Bitcoin double top right here. I was also so wrong. I called a Bitcoin double top right here. Oh man, I was so wrong again. Oh man, I called it right here too. Oh God, I was wrong again. I've been so wrong. I'm a horrible trader now. I'm only a good trader in a bear market. Savvy, please don't get liquidated. You're my only hope. I learned all my TA from you. Savvy, you said we would never get above 20K until 2025. You're an idiot. I trusted you. I went all in short.
Oh, man. Let's see. Bears are... No, don't say that, man. Don't say that. Don't say that. That's a little mean. It's almost time to bust this meme out again. I just want to get back above 25K and get back over Savvy's line so I can bring this meme out again. This is my favorite meme. My favorite meme is this one right here. Man, I think all the bears have went on a walk pretty recently, right? You've all went on a walk, to sort of think about your actions, the last few months, and you guys all have looked into the ocean and looked into the river and thought about, it just has to go to 10K, right? The macro's bad. Binance and Coinbase are going to go down. About all the times you flooded on Twitter to make the price go down. Man. Anyway. All right. Anyway, it's too early to troll them. It's not over yet, right? You still could go lower eventually. I'm just trolling a little bit. But if we get back over 25K, oh man, I'll be out here full force. Mana, Mana's breaking out. Let's check on Mana. I think a lot of altcoins are actually coming. All right, now we got some altcoin action. Here we go. Because Bitcoin's coming up again. ETH is still holding the high. So I like the price action on both of those. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking it, man. Dude, Mana and Decentraland have been. Oh, this is it. Mana and Sandbox, I meant, have been absolutely crushing it to the upside. Look at Mana on the daily. Oh my lord! Imagine if you sold Mana right here. Oh my lord! Right? Imagine if that was you. Right? You were probably like this.
Oh my God! Binance is gonna go down. Oh, I gotta get a crypto. Kramer told me to get out of Bitcoin. Kramer told me to sell my crypto. I gotta get out now. I gotta get out.
All right. Now it's up 4x from that point. Come on, get out of here. Now it's up 4x. Where are we looking at now? Right. All jokes aside, where are we looking at now? Kramer. So, I mean, I guess technically speaking, this is the point where you want to get a little bit, like this is a good tape. I would say if you got in down here, this is a great area to take profits, right? Great area to take profits right here. Okay, great area, right? I mean, listen, at the end of the day, and if you're a long-term holder, okay, whatever. I mean, you do what you want to do. I'm going out to the people who like to sort of swing, buy and sell at certain points. This is a great area to probably take a little profits on Decentraland, right? All your previous lows, previous highs, not a bad area. Right? The daily stock is just flat on the top. This is why I said, like, indicators are cool, man, but a lot of time indicators can throw you off. Because like I said, if you were started shorting mana here, you just got stopped. Because you probably just thought it was going to dump after the stock RSI was topped out for 10 days. You know what I mean? It's helpful, but at the same time, respect the trend before you look at indicators. Indicators are helpful to, I would say, more on shorter term time frames. Actually, on longer term time frames, you actually want like the weekly stocks to be topped out, 2 week stocks to be topped out. Shorter term time frames, it's helpful though. But in the meantime, you know, not a bad area. I would say I still look up. I mean, at least in the short term, I see this area here, which has some interest, right? A little bit of a vector candle there coming in at about 92.55. Not a big area as far as reserve support. I guess it is actually. You extend it out here, here, here. So you got right around 93.50. But this isn't a bad area to take some off the board. Could still pump, don't get me wrong. But that thing just keeps going absolutely bonkers, man. Absolutely bonkers. All right, Bitcoin's back up. Double top. Bitcoin is double top. Oh my God, man. Dude. Guys, I want to ask you guys a question here before we continue on with altcoins. I want to ask you guys, how would you feel? And I'm just putting that out there. I have no idea what Bitcoin's going to do. Okay, at this point, Bitcoin is just. We talked about this. At some point, how many times did we say this? At some point, everyone's going to keep calling for lower, and at some point, Bitcoin's just going to pump. Everyone's going to be waiting for a pullback, and it just doesn't come. What would you guys do if Bitcoin just, you know, did this, maybe come back a little bit, did this, you know, and it just came up to the 1.618 Fibonacci at 31K? What would you guys do? And based off history, right, you might think that's impossible. It's not. It's not, right? It's really not. I know we've been conditioned to think that's impossible. And I'm not saying this is going to happen. But I've seen Bitcoin do crazy shit in the past, multiple times, where I didn't even think Bitcoin was going to do that. Man, what would you guys do if that happened? That would be some absolute freaking carnage. That would be max pay. People would be so mad if it just pumped straight to 31K. People will be so freaking mad, man. Trevor said I'd sell a bit. He said I'd kiss you, said Chris. And I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm putting it out there. I'm not that much of a moon boy. But I've seen Bitcoin do crazy things in the past. Selling a little bit right here after that would probably be a little bit smart, to be honest, in my opinion. Crazy shit, man. Crazy shit. Because here's the deal. I mean, people keep calling for pullbacks, and this doesn't happen, man. All right. Mana. Judge said I would buy another stake. That's what I'm talking about, Judge. I love that you got a stake with me, my man. I really, really love that you did that. Bruno said, what would you do? What would I do if Bitcoin pumped straight to 31K? I would assume altcoins would probably do another 2 to 3x at that point. I would definitely be taking some profits on lower cap altcoins, right? Bitcoin and ETH, like I said, it's funny because this is an accumulation year for me, right? Bitcoin and ETH, I'd probably hold those, but altcoins, I'd probably definitely be taking a lot of profits on altcoins if you just did that. Because I would think if Bitcoin got to 31K, altcoins, you know, would be another 2-3x higher in my opinion. So it'd be an interesting point. Once again, sort of just spitballing here, but it'll be very interesting. Crypto said 25,000 pull out. Psh, that's crazy, dude. Crazy. That's actually not crazy. It's not a bad area. Taking profits. I said this the other day, guys.
Rant alert.
If I ever hear any idiot say this, and this is like echo chamber guy is going to come out for the bull side. You're really taking profits, bro? You got paper hands, bro. You're taking profits. You got to hold forever. You're not a true Bitcoiner or cryptoer unless you take profits. What are you, an idiot? Profits? You don't believe in the tech? You don't take profits if you believe in the tech. You're never an idiot if you take profits. Don't let anyone. I want to make that clear. Going into 2023, 2024, 2025, You're never an idiot taking profits. Like, never let anyone dissuade you from taking profits. Never let anyone call you an idiot for taking profits. Because those people will probably never sell all the way back down a second time. Never let anyone call you an idiot for taking profits. You don't go broke taking profits. But you go broke round tripping. You know what I mean? So, always remember that. Unless you're like this, like, ultra long term, you know, you don't want to sell for 10 to 15 years. By all means, you do yourself. That's not based off Bitcoin's history. That's not a bad strategy, right? And most people were probably better off doing that because most people mess up all their portfolio by trying to buy and sell. But listen, never let anyone tell you not to take profits. You can't do it. No one went broke taking profits. Exactly, man. Exactly. 21,217. All right, so Bitcoin's coming back up. This is some beautiful shit, man. This is some beautiful shit. I'm hoping we don't make a little short-term M formation on the 15-minute. That'd be nice. I don't want to see that. Litecoin. I'm super bullish on Litecoin on the weekly. You guys know I'm super bullish on Litecoin. Has now smashed this little previous local high. Litecoin's going to, dude. Litecoin is going to 140. All right, and I'm going to put my magnet here. Okay. At some point this year, let me put my little magnet here. Litecoin will get at least to 140. That's my prediction. You guys, I'll see what you want to do. It is the Litecoin halving year. Okay. Last Litecoin halving year was right here in the middle of a bear market. Okay. 140 on LTC. And to be honest, that might be underselling a little bit. Be conservative. I think you'll see 140 on Litecoin. And I especially after breaking this key level right here and get back above the 50 EMA. See ya. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya, as they would say. Come on, BTC. Don't stall out right here, you little bitch. I feel like every time I call Bitcoin a little bitch on stream, it seems to pump. So I'm actually being nice to Bitcoin here. I'm being very, very nice. ETH trying to come up too. Let me see what we got. Paul said the top of the cycle will be 140 to 200K in 2025. We are from a top. It's a hefty call, Paul. You know, I've sort of made my stance that I'm not going to be an ultra moon boy, right? I will be very happy if Bitcoin just gets back to its previous all-time high, right? I would be very happy with that. And I told myself at least half my crypto will be out by the time Bitcoin hits its all-time high this next time. Because I'm happy with that. Bitcoin goes back to 69K. Altcoins at that point, based off what happened last time, would be up 20x at this point. You know what I mean? Everything after that is gravy. We'll obviously keep some in, right? But that's the plan. You got to stick to the plan. That's always the biggest part, though. You never want to sell when prices are going nuts. When you see an altcoin go up 40% every single day, right? 40%, 40%, 40%, 40%. Yeah, sometimes it can be tough, but you got to stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Remember back to these times, you know, where you don't want to be in these times again, you know? All right, so 21,187. Come on, boy. Give me that 21,500 here. Do we need a little more juice? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we freaking do. Let's get some juice back up in the chat. Come on, baby. Ooh, let's get this one rolling. Hey, paper hands. I FOMO'd and it worked! Guys, I FOMO and it worked! I am a genius! All you bears are salty now. I literally FOMO'd. I am rich. I never thought FOMOing would work. Fahid, you must be rich too. Fahid, we are horse guys together. Yes, it worked finally after years of this. The price will never go back down again. I am FOMOing more. I just got paid on Friday. I am putting my whole paycheck in Bitcoin. This is awesome. We go up. I am rich. Oh, man. Finally, horse guy making some gains, man. Hopefully he doesn't round trip it. But hopefully it keeps going up for him. He's going all in again. Fahid. Oh, man. I love seeing horse guy happy. It's awesome. I hope it continues, man. You know, horse guy likes the no pullbacks. You know? AZ said only horse guys are buying now. Okay. Only horse guys weren't buying down here. I could say the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I could say the same thing. You know what I mean? You could say only horse guys are buying here. Only horse guys weren't buying right here. So, sorry, man. Sorry. I don't agree with your argument. I'm sorry. I love you. I'm only saying this because I love you, right? And if I ever pick on you in the chat, one, because you're trying to troll me, so I'm going to give it back to you. But just take it as love. Like I said, I only troll people in my chat that I love. Okay? And if you can't take it, don't give it. That's always my biggest thing. I will always give it because I can take it. But if you can't take it, don't give it. You know what I'm saying?
Stupid.
All right. Did you add on the way up? Basically, what I've been doing. I mean, I'm just holding pretty much spot. I'm holding spot, BTC and ETH, and altcoins. Man, I mean, it's just really been. I mean, it's really just been an easy trend for a lot of these altcoins, right? It's they come back to the 30 and 50 EMAs. You've been longing. Eventually, that's not going to work, right? Eventually, that's going to be too easy, and everyone's going to start doing it, and then it's not going to work anymore, right? Just kind of like everyone started shorting at the lows, and it didn't work, at least up until this point. But yeah, man. I mean, it's not so much of me adding and buying on the way up. It's basically I've been trading on the way up for the most part. It's been fun, man. Finally, you get some volatility. Like I've always said, guys, anyone can trade on the way up. Okay, anyone can trade on the way up. Literally, anyone can do it. Obviously, do it smartly. Use stop losses. Don't be an idiot. Don't use 100x leverage. But yeah. Microsoft will moon tomorrow. Nice, dude. Why is Savvy so dismal? Oh, Savvy's fine, man. He's just a perma bear, man. It's okay. It's okay. Like I'm gonna be honest. Like you guys know me. I'm sort of a perma bull. I'll have my bearish moments. Don't get me wrong, but I'm sort of a perma bull. It's the same thing. But I'll say in the history of crypto and the history of the stock market, you've been more right if you've been a perma bull than a perma bear. You know what I mean? Stop loss to break even. The stock market's closed tomorrow, so it's the problem with this is going to create a big CME gap on the futures, right? And we know CME gaps usually get filled. So I mean, if we were to look at the last, so Friday we closed at 19,900 on Friday. So you're going to have this like big CME gap, right? All the way down to 19,900, which is fine. Like we always said, if Bitcoin pulls back, I mean, look at the move it's had, right? I mean, if it pulls back, it's fine. You'll have all the bears screaming, "Oh my God, pullback! Oh my God, pullback!" But it's funny because they say that, right? If you get a big move up, you get a little pullback. This is what their face looks like, right? Oh, where is it? This one. This is what their face looks like, right? But at the same point, they're so freaking what's the word I'm looking for? There's hypocrites, right? Because if the price moves down and you get a little move up, They're like, well, you're just getting excited. Right? They just get excited for a little pump. You know what I mean? But what are you going to do? 165. Maybe they fill that CME gap until Tuesday. True. I love that shotgun meme. It is pretty dark, though. That is a very dark meme. Oh, man. How's Jabba doing? He is currently in a short, like usual. I mean, we're surprised. His next liquidation price is right above this previous wick high at 21,330. So we're almost there. Come on, what's up, buddy? Thanks for the super chat, my man. Go Matic. Let's look at Matic. Altcoins are chilling right now. Oh, Near's getting all this. Oh, come on, Near. Give it to him, Near. Come on, boy. Come on, Near. Come on. Feed Bathwater. Bathwater's in a giant Near long, man. He's killing it right now on Near. I'm proud of my guy. You know why? Because he was bullish at the lows. Man. Bathwater is printing on this. That's awesome, dude. Proud of you, my man. I'm proud of you. Oh, Lord. This one's about to... Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour just crossed the upside on this one, too. Right? So you're already pumping, but you just crossed the upside in the 4 hour. My target for my target for Near is at 282. 282. You know what I'm saying? Holy Lord. 282. Oh, here comes Ice Sniper with the cope in the chat. Oh, man, the cope, man. Chill with the cope. Listen, man. I've made this analogy. There's a lot of altcoins that are up 2 or 3x from the lows. A lot of them are. You know what I mean? So if you were to get hyped on a 70% drawdown on altcoins to the downside, you'd be jerking off right now, right? If an altcoin drops 70% right now, the bears would be jerking off. You know what I mean? So how come when the market goes up 70%, 100%, right? That, the bulls can't get a little hyped. It's the same percentage. You know what I mean? That's what I never get. It's like, okay, cool. We're still in a macro downtrend, yes. But, I mean, you're just being salty at this point if you're getting mad because altcoins are going up 2 to 3x. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit of cope and a little bit of saltiness. If the market would dump 70% right now, the bears would be going, Bitcoin 12K. You know what I mean? Let's keep it real. You know what I mean? John, AZ said, what are we eating tonight? That's a good question, man. You guys always want to know what I'm eating. That's a really good question. I don't know what I want tonight. What should I eat for dinner tonight? Should I have another bear leg? Should I take Savvy's other leg? I don't know. I have no idea. Let's see. Matic pumped. About freaking time, man. Matic's... Actually, it hasn't really been stalling out. But, Jordan, I think another month or so we'll be back to 20K watching the live streams. Back to 20K watching the live streams? Probably, man. Most likely. Doesn't mean you can't go up further and then come back down, though. That is very, very true. But I still think everyone still thinks the same thing, right? What's the most common narrative? What I've seen on Twitter is you're going to pull back from right here. That's been the most common narrative, and that's why. Am I sold on Bitcoin pulling back from right here? No. Because I follow a lot of traders on Twitter to get the general narrative. They all calling for a pullback in the same spot right now. This probably means probably a lot of people are following them. They're shorting from the spot. That's why I also don't think it's going to happen. Number two is I think a lot of people are looking for. See, I just think a lot of people are thinking the same thing still, based off what I see, and doesn't mean it doesn't have to play out, right? I mean, the whole bear market, people have been sort of bearish and it continued to play out, but I told you, this time to me is different. This is the first time Bitcoin's back over the bear market resistance band. You know what I mean? In the entire bear market, first time 2-week MACD flip bullish, first time 2-week stock RSI is back in neutral territory. There are things that are different this time than other bear market rallies. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm just respecting what I see in the charts. You know what I mean? But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, you can call me dumb now. I mean, you guys were calling me dumb at 15K too. You know what I mean? So do I really care about you guys calling me dumb and you guys say I'm wrong? No, I don't. I don't. If I did, I would have shorted down here and I would have been stupid. You know what I mean? All right, 165. Come on, BTC. Give me a little juice, man. Give me a little juice. Gaming said double top. Zoom out. Don't stop trolling with the double top, man. Now you guys just come in with the double top troll because you know it gets me going. Every time a price gets to another resistance is a double top. Every single time. Think about it. If it hits one resistance once, comes up to it again, double top. You know what I mean? Think about it. Double top is one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. You don't know a double top until you actually see it start to curl back down from that point. And you haven't seen that yet. Right? This is a double bottom. Why? In hindsight, it is. But in hindsight, and when you were down here, this easily could have just went like this. And then all of a sudden, the double bottom narrative would have been wrong. You know? Just like here, I mean, you can call it double top. But if this pumps up here, okay, it wasn't a double top. You know? And then when you get right here, people are going to call double top from right here. Right? If it gets here, people are going to call double top right here. Every resistance is a damn double top. You know? It is what it is. It is what it is. Ah, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love this shit. Uneven butt cheeks. You get that from Jason Casper? Damn uneven butt cheeks. The uneven butt cheeks. I think we've had uneven butt cheeks the entire way up, to be honest. I've seen so many bearish divergences on the way up. You know? Every bearish divergence. You know? Jordan! I'm bearish again. I was bullish for a day, but now I'm bearish. There's bearish divergence on all the time frames, okay? And guess what, asshole? There's a giant CME gap to the downside, all right? The stock RSI is topped out, okay? And first of all, the macro's still shit, all right? We're going to 10K. I haven't bought any crypto, okay? I'm still all the way on the sidelines. We're going to 10K, all right? And I'm not just saying that because I'm all in cash. Well, maybe I am. If I own crypto, I wouldn't be saying that. But we're going to 10K, all right? Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Judge Bibles likes butts. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, Matic's coming up for the wick. So Matic had this wick. Will it continue up? That is the question here. Nice little, you know, if you were looking at the charts, this was a nice little, sort of inverse head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, broke up to the upside. You're kind of just coming for this liquidity. We'll see if you can come back up, break the highs. But I mean, that was the move, right? Once again, 30 and 50 EMA retest. That was a nice long. 30 and 50 EMA retest. That was a nice long. That's been the trend. I mean, respect the trend until it doesn't work. That's been literally the trend the whole way up. It's been so easy to trade these altcoins on the way up. And that's coming from someone that, you know, I don't trade all the time. When I do, it's because it's easy setups on the way up. FTM, look at it. It's almost like exactly like Matic. Just hasn't broken out yet. Look, 30-50 EMA. Long. 30-50 EMA. Oh, what do you know? Same setup. Vector candle to the upside. Stock RSI pointing to the upside. Oh, okay. Boop. Let's see. Katie! Look at Cadena. 30-50 EMA long. 30-50 EMA long. 30-50 EMA long. The whole way up. Let's see if Cadena can break out. Cadena is interesting. I think Cadena can get a big move up here. Big move up if this breaks. Look at this. Look at this giant W formation on Cadena. This one gets me a little excited here. Is it a double top? I know everyone will be calling double top here. The Bears love the double top, right? The problem is they ain't even getting single top. You know why? Because they're all in cash. But they got one low. You got two lows. Boom. You got the neckline right here. You're going to break that neckline. But I look up. What do I see? I see this big, juicy liquidity to the upside on the daily on Cadena. Oh, it looks so ripe, doesn't it? After the beautiful W formation on the daily. Oh, my God. That looks so ripe. That looks juicy. 123, 125, somewhere in that range. Oh, man. Here comes BTC again. Man. Let's see what we got. DXY is dropping to the top of the wedge. Dropping to the top? Come on. Jack said, you're a genius. Einstein has nothing on you. Savvy said Carl the Moon blocked him. Listen, Savvy blocked me last year. Savvy blocked me. You know what I mean? And I don't think I deserve to be. Savvy, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, but can you unblock me on Twitter? I promise I won't troll you. And when you blocked me on Twitter, I did not troll you. I did not troll you. I did not. I asked you an honest question. And Savvy freaking blocked me on Twitter, man. It's absolutely ridiculous. I did not deserve that. Here we go, though. Here we go. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. Yeah, we got that scenario. Hit the like button up. Spam the swords and shields. We're going for it again, baby. I told you it wasn't it. Come on, man. We're going to 21.5. What do you think this is? A clown show? No. 618 Fibonacci retrace. 21.5. That's where you're going to see a lot of retail FOMO with 21.5. That's where you got to be a little bit careful, though. 618 retracement. Psychological. That's where everyone wants to buy. Be careful right there. All right? It's because think about it. Retail's probably been watching this all day on the Robinhood app, right? They're opening up their Robinhood app. Let's be Bob for this one. This is a good one.
Man, look at Bitcoin. It's consolidating. Wow, it's moved up so much. It has to dump. I'm not buying yet. It has to dump, right? It has to friggin' dump. Oh, man. Oh, wait, it's pumping now. Shit, I might miss out. Wow, it's gonna pump so much higher here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm buying right here. I'm buying. It's gonna break out. Oh, wait. Wait, why is it dumping now? It's been pumping this whole time. Of course, right when I buy it dumps. There's no resistance right here. What the hell, man? Oh, what the? No. Oh, I should have waited for a dip. It's gonna dip more. It's gonna freaking dip more. I'm out. I'm selling. Wait, what the hell? Whoa. Wait, what am I supposed to dip?
Oh, man. Never underestimate the 618 retrace. Come on, BTC. Just eating up every dip. Whenever the bears try to push it down, it just eats it up like Pac-Man. Like Pac-Man. Oh, I'm still bopped. I love when I keep talking seriously and I'm bopped. Oh, man. Traded Joe coin. Let's see. Traded Joe. Ooh, Near. Dude, Near is going nuts. Oh, my God, Beth. Oh, my God. You are stroking it right now. Come on, man. Let's go. I gotta get the moon helmet on for Near, man. Because I'm a Near protocoler, too. I'm Near. We're all Near. Let's go. Oh, my God, Maj just broke. Come on. Let's freaking go. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's like, let's see. Let me sort this. Yeah, Matic's going nuts. Come on, Matic. Break that previous high, bro. Matic, let's go, baby. Let's freaking get busy. Oh, man. The pain watching these green candles. Oh, man. It's brutal. But hey, man. You know, I'm going to chill. I'm going to wait to troll a little bit. I want to troll even more, but I'm not going to do it. Be nice. All right, 103. Come on, Matic. I'm going to come up and see if Matic can break that previous high. Matic to me, I mean, let's go to the daily on Matic. So yeah, I look at Matic here. All right, you got a little previous peak here from August. Okay, cool. That's really it. I mean, if I look at the Matic chart, I mean, there's really nothing up till this previous high, bro. There's nothing there. Okay, I mean, you think this is going to keep it down, this little peak here? You got a better thing coming for you. I think Matic's going to 130. It's not being mean I'm booming, but it's just looking at the chart. Where did it go last time I broke this? Boop, right up to 130. Let me put my little magnet here. Once again, it's not going to go straight up there most likely, but we'll put a little magnet at 130. Oh man, little old Matic. All right, here we go. All right, there it is. There it is. Java's liquidated. Bye-bye, Java. Bye-bye.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Come on.
Savvy! Savvy, come here, you little wrinkly bitch! You little wrinkly son of a bitch! You said Bitcoin was never going below 20K. Savvy! I'm gonna strangle you, son of a bitch. Come here. This is all your fault. Sit down. I'm about to strangle you. Come here. You wrinkly old man. Come here. Oh, Jabba, no. We're still bearish. Elliott wave.
Oh man. Java's liquidated again. All right, here we go. Hey guys, this is the golden pocket range, so be careful right here. If you're feeling FOMO, this is when most people FOMO in at the 618 Fibonacci level, right? We're approaching that previous high, which is also exactly the 618 retracement. Let's see if we break it. I'd love to break it, so the double top perma bears will stop saying double top over and over again. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, baby. Can we break the golden pocket? 618 retrace, 21,500. Let's see what we got. This is history. He said Sol. Let's see, what's Sol doing? Someone said, oh my God, Sol. Is Sol not on my list? Oh, Sol's not really doing anything, man. You're making me think Sol's going to the moon. It's doing pretty good. All right, nice. Sol's doing some shit. Sol's doing some shit. Near's going to the moon. Bonk's trying to come back up. Altcoins are still chilling, but they all have good setups. I'm going to be honest. All these altcoins have the exact same setup. That's why that's why I said I'm not calling for pullbacks, because the altcoins keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Whoops. All right, let's see. We got a little spike up on BTC, 21,438. There's your golden pocket retest. So let's see if Bitcoin has enough juice here. Let's see. This is going to be a tough cookie to crack, guys. I'm going to be honest, right? As much as I want to be a moon boy and say we're just going to smash through it, typically this is a tough area. Typically, it's a very, very tough area. If we do it, though, oh my God, I'm going to be trolling like a motherfucker. Let's see. Jesse said, you're the best and you have great hair. CeeLo, please. I have to look at CeeLo for you. You say I have great hair. Even though my hair is slightly halfway gone. Okay, slightly halfway gone. CeeLo. I'm sure it's pumping. I'm sure it's pumping for you if you're asking for it. Of course it is. I should have known. You said I had nice hair, so I gotta do it for you. Holy crap. Someone woke up Asia. Let me tell you. Someone woke up Asia. Was it Dan? Was it Bath? Was it Mike? Was it Clint? Who woke up Asia? I think it was all of us. I think it was all of us who woke up Asia today. Spam the sushi. Let's freaking go, baby. Come on. My fart. That woke up Asia? Matic. Oh my lord, do it to him, Matic. Do it to him, Matic. right. Enough getting hyped. 105. Do it to him, at it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Look at the sushi, bro. I love the sushi. That's even better than the swords and shields. The sushi's even better. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. We had a feeling that Asia was gonna move it up. The question is, can we break this level right here? I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be very interesting to see if we can break this level. Let's see ETH. Oh yeah, baby. Feed, baddie. Look at the perfect back test, guys. Look at this, man. Resistance, break, back test, continuation. Oh my God. Now, we had this wick up here, so they could just be taking this wick. Just we know that Bitcoin's at the 618, so obviously this is once again, it's a good take profit level for Ethereum if you're in ETH. If you're a trader, and a lot of you guys aren't traders, if you're hodlers, so this doesn't apply to you. But yeah, man, that is a nice little move for Bitcoin and ETH, baby. It's a nice move. You gotta love it. I'm kind of sorting the most pumped coins here. It seems like it's Near and Matic show right now. Which are two of my little babies. Oh, man. It's a good day. It's a good day. Ada. Oh, come on, Ada. Do it to him, too. Do it to him, too. Come on, baby. Ada. Hold on. Let me just check these real quick. Oh, my Lord. The Ada trade. Oh, my Lord. Ada. Oh, my Lord. Is he jar up those queefalls? Oh, my Lord. Dan said, like and subscribe for Maya. Getting excited of all the little moves like Sol. It's great, man. I mean, Sol's at the bottom of the list here, up 1%. But it is coming up a little bit, which is good. I want Sol to pump for the Solars, man. I will be so happy for all the people that were fudding Sol super. I always said, like, I think Sol's a good project, right? It's probably going to sell off because it was tied with Alameda and FTX. I still think Sol's a good project. I will be so happy to see for all the people that accumulated Sol down here. I did not personally, right? And I'm willing to say that. I will be so happy for all the idiots that fudded Sol down here. Okay?
Stupid.
I would be so happy to see Sol get back into this range, right? 27, 28, 30 bucks. I would be so happy. So freaking happy, man. Right? And then they can say, stupid. That would be freaking awesome, man. I mean, listen, if it gets back above here, that is a you're almost talking a 5x from the lows. A 5x from the lows, man. That is nuts. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Come on, BTC. Don't stall out like a little bitch. Every time I call Bitcoin a bitch, guys, it goes up. I'm telling you. This is real shit. This is really, really real shit. Change your underwear. I'm shitting my pants right now, John. Sol's on life support? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Litecoin try to make a move. Let's see, Litecoin. Litecoin's stalling like a little bitch. Litecoin's got to move too, man. Litecoin's been a little bitch lately. BNB, oh, yes. Yes. Shout out to the BNBers out there. All the BNB haters. Man, imagine selling BNB right here because you believe the FUD, at least for the short term. Oh, that's got to hurt. It's got to hurt just a little bit, man. That's got to hurt. Man, imagine selling BNB on the wick right here. Oh, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Imagine watching other people's YouTube videos fudding Binance at the lows. Stupid. Oh, man. BNB is coming for this wick. That's what I've been saying. They're not going to leave this wick up here for BNB. Look at this big wick on BNB. Massive wick. Massive liquidity up there on BNB. They're coming for that wick. 340 to 400. They're coming for that wick. Holy moly. Let's see. Better sell some BNB now and get some Cadena. Frank Frattle, you're always shilling for Cadena, man. You're always shilling Cadena. Oh, man. You love Cadena, bro. You absolutely love Cadena. I've never seen anyone like a coin more than you like Cadena. Listen, I like Cadena too. I got a little bag of Cadena. But at the same point, you love that more than anything I've ever seen. Holy crap. Does anyone love a coin more than Frank Fractal loves Cadena? I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe Wayne and Bitcoin. Wayne loves Bitcoin. Maybe me and ETH. I don't know. It's probably a three-way tie between Wayne and Bitcoin, me and ETH, and Frank Fractal and Cadena. Excuse me. All right, let's see. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's back. Bitcoin came right up to that golden pocket zone. So it might struggle right here, but that also goes with saying that, once again, calling for pullbacks on Bitcoin has been wrong every single time. You know what I mean? So I mean, you're sort of gambling here, in my opinion, right? You can short Bitcoin right here. I mean, you can. Technically speaking, like from a trading perspective, risk versus reward, that wouldn't be a bad shorting position from this area if it spikes up here again on a little M formation spike up. Technically speaking, I'm just going based off the trend, and the trend just has been Bitcoin just keeps ripping to the upside. Doesn't mean it's going to continue. I ain't shorting Bitcoin from here though. I've seen too many people get liquidated the last couple weeks. I haven't shorted one thing since the lows. I have not put in one short position since the lows. Only longs. And this last week was my best trading week that I ever had. Follow the trend, I guess. At some point, we'll short something. I'm not doing it yet. Let's see. Come on, KDA. Me and my privacy. Oh, yeah, Dan loves Monero, too. Dan loves Monero. Let's see. John said, actually, I've been thinking about leaving the wife for Bitcoin. John, you're going to leave ETH for Bitcoin? Bro. John. John. Oh my God, John. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart. John, you're gonna leave ETH for Bitcoin. Look at the ETH Bitcoin chart. How are we gonna leave? How are we gonna justify leaving ETH for Bitcoin over the longer term scale? How are we gonna do it? I mean, cool. You're going sideways for a little bit. How are we going to do this? Fumble said, I sold my wife. Unless John's not talking about ETH. Unless he's talking about his actual wife. Which, at that point, I don't know. You don't want your wife hearing that, man. She's gonna find out. She's gonna find out real quick, you know? John, are you serious? Are you serious, bro? You're gonna leave me for Bitcoin? Bitcoin doesn't have tits. Bitcoin doesn't have a pussy. I do. You're going to leave me for that? A coin? Guess what? Get out. Get out. Go sleep on the couch. I don't want nothing to do with you, John. John M. What kind of last name is M anyways? Being a weirdo. Judge said I walk out today. Let's see. John's waifu. His waifu. Waifu. ETH found out it was a guy, so he had to. Man, all right, we've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Holy shit, dude! Time goes by so fast when there's stuff going on. I love it, man. I forgot how fast time goes by. I remember streaming back in the day, like 3 hours, and it felt like an hour. And I wanted to keep going, but I was like, Jordan, you can't stream for like 5 hours, man. That's how fast things go by. It's awesome, man. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 37 minutes. Holy crap. We got to call this a stream here. And what do we say? You guys saying there's never price action on the stream. I think every stream, like the last 10 streams, Bitcoin's been at the highs, just flirting with breaking up higher highs. Every single time at the end. And I have to like force myself to get off because I don't want to be streaming for 4 hours. Every single time. And here we go again. Just, casually at the highs again. This is the best. This is the best times. Best times. soak it in while you're here. Take advantage of it while you're here. And, if you got some crypto, it's good times, seeing some green. If you're all in cash, probably not the best time for you. But, once again, you'll have your jerk session not too long from now when Bitcoin has its little dip, As soon as Bitcoin has its little dip, this is going to be you jerking off to the little dip that Bitcoin has at some point. When is it going to happen? Might happen now. Might happen a couple days from now. But this will be you. About half a second before you're about to release. This will be you. So you can see it in the eyes. He's about to lose control. And he's about to put in a massive short position. At some point, this will be you. Just not now, Just not now. That meme was dedicated to me by JJ. Exactly, Fahid. I gave Fahid and JJ a shout out for that meme. Great meme. Great meme, by the way. Great meme. That is an A plus meme if I ever saw it. Cleaning the dust off the moon helmet. That is true. That is true. All right, guys. I think this is a good time to wrap it up. Because if I stay on now, Bitcoin's probably going to spike up again and I'm going to be stuck here. So I'm going to take this time to get off. We'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday, but I'll still be on here. Right? No stock market tomorrow, but we'll be here 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to go watch 90 Day Fiancé. I'm going to go watch 90 Day Fiancé. Probably eat some type of food, Maya likes to troll me. She's probably going to say I'm going to watch 90 Day Fiancé while I choose if I want Chinese food or halal, which is probably true. I'm out of here. All right. See you guys tomorrow at 7. Make sure you guys are here. Once again, be careful FOMOing. This is when most retail FOMOs at the 618 retracement. I will say it again. I'm not calling for a pullback, but at some point it will. And if it happens, we say, Jordy, you're a moon boy. I'm just being real. I mean, have we seen a pullback yet? No. So and people who have been calling it have been wrong 8 times in a row. All right. Peace out. Later. Catch you guys tomorrow. Adios. And to get a little juice before we go, spam the sushi. We need to wake up one more time. We need to wake up. Wake them up one more time, baby. Let's go. Come on.